go live. Oh, okay.
Hi guys.
Thanks, this is us.
I think we're ready.
Why did it change to the other thing? I wanted to have this as the start screen.
I don't know. How you doing, guys?
How you doing, folks?
Oh, there's people there.
Yeah, they're already there. Paul is already there.
Who's put those years of birth on there?
Is this what I was just asked?
Yeah, someone put.
Yeah.
Paul.
Yeah, it looks like we're doing a Paul now. Paul, not a Paul.
A poll.
Now,
Yeah.
who's born when?
I'm the oldest there.
1990.
You're the youngest one here.
Arthur? Yep, you're the youngest. Yep.
Definitely.
Let's see what comes up there.
I don't think there's a younger one here actually.
Yeah. With all these old people, Arthur, how do you feel? Look at this beautiful pictures from the microscope. We're looking like a proper Arduino channel.
I'd say youth is wasted on the young.
Yeah, it is.
It is. I actually always felt more at home with older people because I've always been the more mature one.
Manticore is 1957.
Oh, older than me. Hey, Manticore.
The wise one. Manticore, the wise one.
I'm the oldest, give or take a year or two. Somebody. I'm not the oldest one, after all. Some of us remember vacuum tubes and valves.
Yeah, of course.
We do.
I still remember them. I never used them. Fascinating stuff, actually.
Exactly.
Is our audio on? This always irritates me. Yeah, our audio is on.
Yeah.
Okay, the people would have told
Yeah,
us.
the microphone is at the bottom.
Yeah.
What if a mouse were moving but nothing was happening?
They would have told us.
Yeah, they would, yeah. 54.
Wow,
Steve. More wise people
Getting
here.
older. Yeah.
I'm feeling so young. Hey, Rune.
Hey,
Hi,
man.
man. Hope the weather is nice in Denmark.
It's really nice
Good one.
now.
Good one.
Yeah. I'm from Malmo, so I used to work in Denmark.
We had a couple of weeks where it was like only about 24, or sometimes 26 or 27, but half cloudy, half sunny and whatever.
Yeah, for the next week, sunny all day, 27 and up.
Since Wednesday?
Yeah, it's been
Wednesday last
warm.
week has been super warm and sunny every day.
Yeah, 30 plus every day.
Yeah.
Paul, it looks like the old fart gathering. 1956.
Oh, we're getting older.
Wow.
Wow, we're getting older. We're getting older.
Yeah, Rory.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate.
So,
we can't ask him where he's from, at least. the flag says everything.
Yeah, it looks like Canada.
That thing with like one of them maple leaf something. You know?
Yeah.
I think we know where he's from.
Yeah.
Oh, Carter's still the youngest. Well,
Yeah. 1990.
How long may it last?
Dutch, my friend. Hey. 47.
Oh.
Wow.
Hi, Dutch.
Cheers, mate.
47 in AZ today.
I don't get this.
No, I don't get that either.
Oh, yeah.
47, 41 probably temperature
As
in
of today.
Arizona.
Oh, temperature. Oh, see.
Oh.
Yeah, but hang on. Don't they have like them funny degrees in Arizona? Those Fahrenheit ones.
Yeah, I think so.
40,
Yeah,
This is
41 isn't
41
many,
funny
is it?
degrees. PML, but
You're freezing over.
it
freezing.
helps out here, yeah.
I don't think it's 41 Fahrenheit.
Happy Father's Day. Well, actually, out of interest, only one of the three of us actually have children. We always told you he was a crazy one. This one, he's like the stooge of this.
Yeah, no.
Aren't we all the three students?
Yeah.
The three stooges, but yeah.
21
centigrade in Canada.
Gordon, cheers, mate.
That's
Cheers.
not bad for Canada.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is coming nicely together. Yeah, feels like meeting friends.
It does. It
Yeah.
does.
Yeah.
So how was everybody's week? Everybody's fine out there?
Yeah. Everyone probably fine. If they're here, they don't have anything better to do.
Exactly. So, can I move this? Did I?
Yeah, you can. Okay.
I'm unwrapping something.
I'm unwrapping something.
And,
so,
Stencil.
yeah. So, I don't know where it came about, if it was on a live stream or on my channel. When I
like
I think, yes, it was when I was soldering QFNs and QFPs. And somebody said, why don't you use a stencil, a QFP stencil? I'm going to put it under the microscope.
Yeah, actually, the microscope is better.
and then put the other side up. Just
Oh, so that less.
it has writing on it. See?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, I want one of these.
Yeah. So I bought this off AliExpress. It was about €4
€4 for that.
for this.
That's not bad.
It has all these different.
You can do majority of the work in one go and then just fill out the last balls that
Yeah.
are missing, pretty much.
But what I want to know is where can we get stencils for QFN or QFP? Because somebody suggested we use stencils for soldering QFP or QFN,
I've seen
and
them.
I can't find one,
I've seen them.
and Jack
briefly.
can't find one.
Okay.
Well, I had a short one. Well,
Yeah, I have seen them briefly on AliExpress, but they disappeared. So yeah, you're right. It's so shiny you can actually see the microscope camera.
Oh,
The
you can, yes, you can
reflector.
see the reflection, yeah. Yeah. So anyway, so that's the stencil. Can we switch over to the overhead camera again or something?
That's not bad.
Yeah, about
I would love one of these.
I think it's about €4.50.
I will buy one of these.
Yeah, I'll give you the link.
Yeah.
But guys, swarm intelligence, as they say. Does anybody know where we can get QFP stencils from? Vanguard?
Or do we have to design them ourselves?
is there a difference with Banggood and AliExpress? I thought
They're
that
different companies.
But the sellers are all the same.
Some of the stencils they may warp under high heat. I didn't really buy this as a reballing stencil. I bought this as like a solder paste stencil.
Okay, this is really thin. So
Yeah, so-
this will probably bow.
I searched for solder paste stencil, and this is what came up.
And this is for solder paste this works because you just drag it over, and then lift the stencil straight up, and then it works. Yeah.
Embedded hobby stencils the right way. Put a QFP footprint on a PCB and then they're just bought by the board with a stencil.
And I can do that.
Yeah.
Yes, PCB, we do stencils. I could do that. I just
Yeah.
assumed that I could go onto AliExpress and buy
Considering this
something
exists.
like this.
Yeah.
It would be pretty much logical that this
But,
must be somewhere.
this is a this is a solder paste stencil.
Yeah, but you can just ask for a reballing stencil, a thicker stencil. I'm guessing. Do PCB way
And you can compare it because these these are reballing stencils.
And these are professional reballing stencils because I have thinner ones that actually work. Okay, they're a little thin actually.
They go into this clamp.
Yeah, exactly. So it has a bow, as you can. Let's see if I can get my hand behind. See, it's bowed.
Yeah, but let me show you what you do with
Yeah.
it.
So you have to have this special clamp.
The
otherwise
clamp here, so you have to undo the
four
bolts and,
Allen
and drop it in.
Yeah.
So you need just the Allen key.
Yeah.
And then when you drop it in, you can still move it around slightly. It's like magnetic, so you can actually
Okay.
move it around slightly.
Yeah. So this is a good one. And you have the chute for the balls.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
You can ride them in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this is really a lot better than the one I have. I have one of the cheaper ones from AliExpress.
And I have.
But they work. So.
Yeah, and I have. Here we go.
So how thick is this?
Thicker than those other ones. That's all I could say. Right, you can see there's a.
It's about triple the thickness of this one. Okay.
Yeah. And we have stencils for specific chips
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah, if you're reballing, this is good because
Yeah.
but if you're just solder pasting, the other one is really
That's a solder. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the difference.
So reballing it means you heat up while it's still there, so it creates small balls on the grid.
And you can also do this with these things. Look at that. So you can actually make.
Holy crap! You have some patience.
Yeah. So if you've got something that's the right grid, but there's certain places where there's no
Yeah.
balls different size, then you.
Spacing. And
This
stuff.
is capped on tape.
Yeah, Captain Tape manages to resist quite a lot of heat.
Yeah.
I can vouch for that because I'm lasering it at home with 10-watt laser, and it still doesn't burn through. So perfect.
Right. So where do we get QFP stencils? That was the question. QFP.
Yeah.
QFP or QFN because it's the same stencil.
Let's see. Sorry, guys. I'm a slow reader here. I'm actually having the AIs read to me now. When I'm watching something or searching, I have it reading a research paper or something in the background.
Ring. Paul Daniels made ring lights and USB meters. I always thought Paul Daniels was a magician, like he did card tricks and that. He's famous in England.
Hold on.
I don't know the name.
Yeah. Paul Daniels, I'm sure, was famous like in the 70s or 80s. And I thought he was a magician.
Switch professions.
Yeah, maybe it's a different Paul Daniels. Maybe there's more than,
I've heard the name before, but
there
I
can
don't
be
know
more
from
than
where.
one, maybe.
I like this. I'm
Well,
going to buy one.
Okay, I'll give you the link for it. So,
Yeah, thanks.
in fact, actually, I'll find it for you.
It's well packed.
You can.
actually.
Yeah, I did. Rich, we were out last Sunday, and Rich got a lot of something.
Yeah, I can't be out much because of medication and stuff.
Yeah, I caught a lot of
So
sun.
I'm getting whiter in Canarias.
I got sun lotion on, but well, like the oily stuff. But, yeah.
Considering I'm from South America, I'm really white.
Oh, a 10 watt laser would not cut a ping pong ball, embedded Hobby, he says.
Now you have to try this.
Yeah, I have to try it because I know it will.
We tried it,
I cut into stone and made a necklace for my daughter with it. So it's strong enough. It's 10-watt output on the laser light, and it's quite concentrated, 0.1 millimeters. But it won't cut transparent acrylic. No, translucent acrylic.
We won't, no, you won't cut anything see through.
It will cut black acrylic up to 5 millimeters. Though I've already tried it, so it works well.
Yeah, we were cutting through wood and stuff.
Wood. We took off the paint from PCBs.
We did. I'm not sure it would cut through a ping pong ball though, because they're focusing on it because of the curvature.
It will cut into it, but you have to spin the ping pong ball. I'm guessing.
Oh yes, there's a rotary. Yeah.
Yeah, it has a rotary stand, so maybe.
The keyboard doesn't seem to work. One moment.
XPV is the software that allows. Oh, this is
Oh.
where I named the name from.
The keyboard isn't working.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, it's not plugged in. So, yeah.
Can anybody diagnose a fault with the keyboard, please?
Do you know how many calls I get about that when I'm on Siemens calls?
Shall I tell you the funniest call I ever had when we were first selling PCs? This goes back to like maybe 94, 95.
Okay, so a while ago.
Right, so somebody, we'd sold him a computer, and this is like back in the days of like probably Windows 95, I'm guessing.
Yeah, Pentium 90. Maybe.
Yeah, something. So he phoned me up to say that he couldn't control the mouse very well. He says when I push the mouse up, the pointer goes down, and when I move the mouse down, it goes up. And I'm thinking it's like, well, there's a setting in Windows that kind of let you do this bit like a joystick on the plane, so
Yeah,
that when you
inverted.
inverted. So I'm going into the settings. Is the mouse set to invert? No, whatever. He says it's ever so hard to control, and I went on for about 20 minutes, and then he says not only that, he says, but the wire keeps catching on the front of the desk. I said, well, the wire keeps catching under my arm on the front of the desk. I said, where's the wire sticking out? The mouse, he says, at the bottom.
Yeah, okay.
So he's holding the mouse. Yeah. So he's doing this with it like this.
It could be another possible solution.
Yeah.
The ball.
Yeah, well, mice had balls in those days, you're right. But anyway, seriously, I spent like 20 minutes on this guy before I figured out he's holding the mouse upside down.
Okay, I'll tell you one from my time at Sony Ericsson when I worked at the tech support for Sony Ericsson before I moved there as an engineer. So I was at HP. He called. They usually had a sticker on their desktop with computer name, and I told him, could you give me the computer name? It's on the desktop. Yeah, 1 second. I heard him scratching around and digging and throwing and swearing for like 15 minutes, and he was back. I can't get to the damn computer. And no, on your desktop, on the screen. So I unplugged the entire computer and turned it around and flipped it. 50 minutes of waiting just for that.
Yeah,
I was laughing so hard I couldn't stop myself. Poor guy. And you could hear he was older as well. So yeah, and he was a software engineer.
Should I get this on screen?
Yeah, guess on the screen now. So
You found it
they have a special offer coming on this at 99 cents
on AliExpress.
on AliExpress.
I will buy one. Definitely.
Yeah. Well, you get 3 for like 99 cents each, and if you break one. Yeah, so that's the one I bought, and I paid about 4 euros, 3 euros. Yeah, so it's best off at the moment.
Is it the same price for 3? And
Yeah, it's the same price.
oh yeah, the shipping changes.
The shipping,
175 to 4.
No, it's crossed out.
It's crossed out.
It's
Free
free
shipping.
Free
So
shipping.
yeah, so
This is on the right.
Shipping over here is free.
then buy 5.
You
They're
should buy
free.
twice, yeah, 5, yeah.
They're free.
Yeah.
Oh, which reminds me, something I said. I don't know if the guy's here, but somebody was questioning on the video I did about. I'm saying PCB weight cost you about $5 to ship the PCBs, and he's saying no way. He says it's like $20 or something.
Oh yeah, I saw the comment.
You saw the comment. So
It depends on where you are in the world, I'm guessing, because we get shipping as low as $2.50 here. Of course, you have to wait a month, but you can get it for €2 or something.
yeah, exactly. So
I think you need to log in.
I think. Well, I don't think you have to log in, but yeah, possibly I do have to log in actually to do it.
Yeah.
To let's just say, just click on something.
Yeah,
project.
it has to know where you are shipping to, but you can choose that in
Can you?
the order
You
without
probably
logging in.
can. Yeah.
Yeah. So we want to find
Yeah,
a project.
Yeah, just click on something.
There's a project, yeah.
Add to
And
cart.
add to cart. Oh yeah, I need to log in. I don't have an account on this machine. Shame. I'll do something on my channel next time I do it.
Yeah.
I do the PCB.
So, but it ranges from $2 up to.
Add this to a card and then look at the card. I think this works.
Add to cart. It won't let me.
Oh, okay, crap.
It's from $2 up to 50.
Depends on which
yeah.
company used to ship.
Yeah,
it.
and then depends on the amount and the size of the thing as well. So
Yeah.
if you're ordering PCBs this big,
Yeah, Greg, I saw this. Yeah.
shipping
Yeah.
costing.
Yeah. You actually can use, when you're on PCB Way, you actually can use the AliExpress shipping. This takes 4 to 6 weeks. Yeah, it really does.
Yeah,
But it works and it's dirt cheap.
yeah, it's €2.
If it's,
here.
of course, it's different to where you are on the planet. So
Yeah.
to the Canaries, this goes under €5. Definitely
Yeah,
under
it does.
5. Yeah.
It does.
SMD books.
Okay.
No,
Yeah.
Tom, then you choose a different seller. If they want $44 for shipping 4 books, no.
Is it
I know what the things, you know.
is it complete books with everything inside, or with all the values? Because those cost a lot of money.
Was that just the shipping, or was that for them? $44 for 4 books. Plus
Yeah, because the books
shipping.
are expensive.
They are, but the shipping shouldn't be 40.
Yeah.
No.
Well-
The shipping should be around €15 at max, because the books are quite large. Let's say.
Paul, I don't know. I know that America is planning on a drone law that probably gets DJI out of the equation there, which is really shitty.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Yeah, you see.
These things, yeah.
Yeah, these things. But look,
Tom, are these the ones you're looking at?
because the shipping is free,
Yeah.
and that's into the USA. If I can change this to like Spain, for example, so where we are, Spain,
Yeah.
whatever,
Save. And then let's reload the page.
and MVO gratis.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have free shipping.
Yeah, free
already.
shipping.
Yeah. It's because we are closer, pretty much, and it doesn't have to go the air route.
Yeah, the last AliExpress we ordered there came in so fast.
Yeah, about less than 10 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had that experience before as well. It's crapshoot, pretty much.
Yeah. Because I just ordered some 1206 resistors. I needed some for the amplifier I've just repaired. In the end, I didn't. We used through-hole and botched it, but it works.
Yeah, as long as it works.
And those I ordered. Resistor. Sorry, guys. Set.
Stencil. Okay, Dutch has something there.
Stencil.unlimited.com for ordering stencils.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's cool. I will definitely take a look at that.
Lots have come in at 99 cents.
Yeah,
at
it
the
could be
moment.
that they have a special tax on Chinese stuff
Could be.
in the US, and then it costs more to bring it in.
Could be.
We actually in Canarias have a reduction in price.
Yeah.
Yeah, we get 21% off the listed price.
Yeah,
And
we
the
are tax free here. So
And the Americans now get
yeah, considering I've seen in the news a piece of cheese cost like $70. So yeah, poor guys over there.
Overhead. So anyway, I bought this off AliExpress. It took about 10 days to get here. So
Power supply.
I was going to build, or I am going to build, a soldering and iron project. And if we remember that you used a linear transformer, we looked at this a little while ago, and we figured out it was just a DC supply at 24 volts.
There we go.
So I wanted a 5 amp one, and Det said, well, these are about €8. So for around €8 with free shipping, I bought this. This is a 24 volt,
10 amp.
10 amp. But there's no weight in it. Feel that? It's like there's nothing in it.
It has the components. It should, right?
So I thought, well, I've got nothing to load this with, but it might be interesting to see what's inside it.
So it doesn't have weight, but it has a big transformer in the middle. So yeah, well, let's open it up and check.
Check, see if it really, if we think it really is.
Okay.
10 amp.
One screw. Nah, really? Yeah, and then this is. Oh, okay, no, it's clamped
This
over here.
will hold some.
No,
of
this
the
top bit comes off and the other.
diodes.
The top is L-shaped.
It's one screw. Okay.
I'm not sure. It's one. It's clipped here.
Yeah.
There's like little
Yeah, the notches. Yeah.
notches.
Yeah, but if you lift it straight up, it's fine.
Humane mousetrap case.
Yeah. Yeah. So I wouldn't trust this too much with sensitive electronics, I'm guessing, because the noise should be through the roof if it doesn't have enough suppression.
Yeah. Tom, about these SMD books, $10 a book isn't bad.
No,
I thought
I think it's $11 shipping per book.
$11 per book.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah, no, it depends on how many components is in every book, because you can buy the books with million components amounts, and then they weigh a lot.
Yeah, the embedded hobby is this. This is a meanwhile.
I only have
Rip
one.
off
I only have one, which is that one,
Yeah,
and that cost me €10 or between 10 and 20.
Yeah, they're not expensive.
But there's a lot of components in it.
Yeah, they're more expensive now than what they were before.
Yeah.
So they cost about €30 these books now,
Okay.
and shipping is free for us at least. So you have a reference. I actually bought them loose, the strips.
Yeah, you could. Yeah, they're cheaper.
I hate this.
Yeah.
I
No.
have these
I have a lot of drawers, the
Yeah,
mini
me
ones,
too.
so I don't mind. I just organize them. Okay.
The
So,
college is a cheapskate.
yeah. No questions asked.
Can you get the top off this?
Yeah, I think it slides.
It's childproof.
It slides one way. Oh, okay. No, it has one more screw.
Oh.
That explains why I can't move it.
I mean, it looks as chunky as an ATX supply, doesn't it? That'll give you more than. I mean, this is 240 watts, so I suppose.
It actually says 250, but
That's 250 watts.
yeah.
Where?
I on the side. I don't know how they calculated that.
How did
250 watt at 24 volts, 10 amps. It doesn't really.
Where's the 10 watts come from? Oh yeah. Yeah. Where does the other 10 watts come from? 24 volts at 10 amps.
Magic.
It's 250 watts.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. So it's really easy to get into. That's good and bad. Good for us, bad for children. It has. Oh, it's switchable to 110 or 220.
Yeah.
Yes, it said that in the listing on AliExpress.
It has a really nicely made heatsink for the MOSFET
Could be a diode.
or diode. No, that's the power diode. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Well, there's the bridge rectifier.
Yeah, I saw that.
Where's the switching MOSFET? Is that?
Is that?
No, here.
Yeah.
The switching MOSFET. This has the 2 capacitors and the 2 switching MOSFET. So this is a half bridge LLC because that's the other inductor there.
Mm-hmm.
So and where's the high voltage capacitor there? So LLC. See them 2 inductors and the capacitors. That makes it ring like a bell at the frequency that this is hitting the square
that's a
wave.
resonance.
And it's a resonance circuit. So that is an LLC, and yeah, that's why there's 2 switching.
And this is for the chips, right?
This is the filter.
Oh, it's filter.
Yeah, so there's an opto isolator somewhere, or
No.
in that case then what it's doing is, remember we looked at one of these before, so it has an auxiliary winding secondary
Yeah.
on this side which powers the switching chip. So it starts up with a high value resistor, and then the auxiliary winding with the diode takes over, and it monitors the voltage on the auxiliary winding.
If you go below.
Yeah, so in fact, if you put more load on this secondary, that will drop as well, and then it increases the pulse width modulation. So this is why there's no.
I can't see a component that's missing.
What do you mean component missing?
Because of the weight loss. I mean,
no,
the transformer seems beefy enough.
That's the everything. So the diode here will be a double diode, 3 legs, because effectively this is AC, so it's an AC output, so it has like it has a centre tap secondary, and then either end have it go to the anode, just goes to the cathodes together as the out common cathode. Does that make any sense?
Yeah, it did. If you know a little about power supplies, it makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
But it seems to be complete. I'm not missing anything. Normally they cheap out on the big capacitors. They put two in parallel here.
No, they're not in parallel.
No, in series. Sorry, in
it's
series.
A bridge.
And they usually cheap out on the transformer, the main transformer.
Yeah.
But this looks decent enough.
Yeah. This is a half bridge.
Yeah.
That's why it has the two. I got that. I'll just find this actually.
And they have the plastic sheet underneath for isolation. So no, I don't see them chipping out in anywhere. So.
And it was cheap. It was about €8.
€8 for 250 watts. Actually, not bad. My 3D printer has one of these inside. 150 watts. And it's about the same size, weighs 3 times more. So yeah, I don't know where they reduced the weight.
Yeah, this one. It's saying $5.68, which is about €7.
How much?
Free shipping.
How much is the 500 watt one?
The 500 watt one
48
is
volts.
24 volt.
No, 48.
48 volt at which?
Yeah, I'm.
This one. 10,
I'm thinking of a really
27.
Really hardcore project.
$27, $28
That's not bad.
for 48 volts, 10 amp. Oh, we gained 20 watts again. We could have 480.
Yeah.
Well,
Magic watts.
Yeah, it's probably Chinese watts. Yeah, so the embedded hobbyist set.
yeah. So if you order these cheap power supplies from AliExpress, this is what you actually get. I mean, and that, although we haven't pulled it in and tried it, it looks well constructed to me.
Yeah, no, they thought about the most normal stuff, like shielding the bottom half so that if it bends, you don't short out the pins from the beneath.
No.
And you kill yourself because this is metal. No.
12 volt, 30 amps, 360
Single-sided PCB.
$9.
Not too bad, actually. How can they bring down the cost so much? I can see components for more than that here, right?
Yeah, it's a good question, isn't it?
Yeah, I can see components on this for way more than that.
How do you bring the cost down so low?
Yeah, this block, for example, on the side, if you buy it loose, it's like €30. So, then the transformers usually a couple of euros. The big caps, I'm not familiar with
What brand are
JWEO.
Can we see that with the camera?
What? So I don't know the brand really, but they look nice.
Yeah, JW JWoo.
CO.
Is it a C or 2 O's?
CO. So JWooku. Oh my god, what a name. But all the caps are the same brand.
Chinese slave labor.
Yeah, you're on spot on there. Yeah.
But that's much cheaper, really.
Yeah.
The slave labor, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
considering they're paying us shit here,
Yeah.
so we are already slaves over here. So comparing to them,
yeah. So for $5.68 with free shipping,
that's not bad.
and it only took about 10 days to get here.
I would want one of these.
Yeah, with the main hobbyist here, main issue would be spacing and isolation of the primary and secondary windings in the transformers.
Yeah,
This is probably where they cheap out.
probably.
Yeah. But on the other way,
We have to
on
take
the
out
other
the
hand,
tire board for that.
cardboard PCB, of course, and single-sided, so that will probably
Yeah, a lot cheaper. Yeah.
tracks this size underneath.
Yeah.
But
And the trick I said where they're doing this, the voltage stabilization by using the auxiliary windings.
Yeah.
So therefore you don't need the opto isolator.
Yeah.
Things like that.
yeah,
Oh yeah. and
very
you-
cost
if you
reduced.
leave out any safety tests, you can maybe get this cheaper done anyways.
True,
yeah.
true.
Thank you, embedded hobbyist.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
guys, what do you think of the general quality of that from what you've seen for the price? Because at $568, I thought this was going to be crap. And I suspect if we had something to load it with, a couple of car headlight bulbs, I'm sure it would run fine.
Just what Paul is asking for.
Yeah, we need to do that. Unfortunately, we don't have anything here. Power. Let me see what I have.
24 volts. Do you have the laser I bought from you? It's 24 volts. God damn it.
Do we have anything 24 volts here?
No, I don't, and that's the problem.
Yeah, we need to set this up more, guys. I think this is maybe for in fortnight.
Yeah, maybe we'll do it next time, and I'll bring the laser.
Do you have some 12-volt car headlight bulbs?
In the car, you mean?
No, just lying around, not in the car.
Yeah, at home I have some.
Yeah, because if we put 2 in series, that's 24.
Yeah, you can do that.
Dutch, I would do the same. I would not load this with max ratings there. This probably you can do for a moment, but not for long.
Yeah.
And I would go for
I mean, bear in mind that the project I'm building is the soldering iron. It was 24 volt at 5 amp.
Oh, this is so.
This is so overkill.
This is double the rating of the.
So probably on the safe side then.
Yeah.
I think that'll be fine.
You're
It was just
way
a
over.
bit bigger than I expected.
Yeah. No, they do exist in this size with the same power rating. Actually, Pico PSUs are this size and do the same, about 150 or 200
They
watts.
don't come down from 220, right? Pico
Uh,
PSU is coming from 12 volt supply or something. Pretty sure.
I have a Pico PSU that comes down from
I
220.
guess the people know.
Yeah, I have one, but it's an older model I bought like 10 years ago.
Tom, why do you think it would make a hum if powering a radio? Because this thing is a switch motor. It's going to be running well into the hundreds of kilohertz. So I can't see why you would get a hum.
As long as the
The
60,
bat will probably hear.
yeah, as long as the 60 hertz signal is not coming through.
What can't if it's a switch motor?
No, it shouldn't.
I don't see. Okay.
You can get inductive coupling to one of the windings if you're too close with the
I
other.
wouldn't have thought
I don't
so,
think so,
because
When you're going through the windings, you're coming from DC.
Yeah.
you got the bridge rectified, and you got your big smoothing span.
Yeah, so it's really hard to fuck it up that hard. I have had a power supply that actually introduced the 60 work, but they had two big transformers near each other, really near each other. So they were actually coupling in between each other, and it was shutting down the power supply all the time because of over voltage. It got some voltage from the other side, but it was a really crappy power supply from Mars Gaming or something. Okay. Oh yeah, the project.
The project. So this
I
is
saw the
now.
video.
So you saw the video. So the thing is to make another front panel out of FR4 PCB material.
This is how it started. Yeah.
This is how it started. So we have the schematic for this. I hope some of you guys actually saw the video of this one. But this is all the various bits, and we figured out that we could actually stick the display module, if we take these through pins off, onto the actual front panel PCB. So this side of the PCB will be the front, with all the writing on the silk screening, and this side will be a big ground plane, but it will have some tracks that carry the 5 volt and the SCL and
I2C.
I squared C, SDA and SCL.
SCL and SCL.
Yeah. So then I thought, well, if, for example, this is using this Arduino Nano, which is just basically one of these chips.
Yeah.
And we effectively use like a naked chip, so rather than just the Nano. You know what I mean?
You need a FTDI chip.
This I
or
don't
USB.
know. Well, what my thought is, well, in that case, if we made this whole thing surface mount, couldn't we effectively build the whole project
On that.
on
yeah.
this side of the PCB if it was single-sided? Because it's not very complicated. There's not many tracks. You can see the tracks on this.
And why are they so thick?
I love this. Yeah. I
Yeah,
love this.
yeah.
Wow.
They can. They can.
You can make it 10 times smaller.
So I'm going to ask Det because Det is the micro man. So to speak.
Micro debt here.
Micro
Yeah,
Det.
yeah.
So what do you think, Det? Do you think it would be feasible or to actually do that? To effectively, rather than having this PCB, build this entire project on the back of the front panel? In fact, couldn't we do that for lots of projects? So when you order your PCB way PCB, you've got the front panel as well.
Okay,
So you can build a project, you've already got the front panel, it all goes on the other side of it.
your
As long as you're not too complicated projects.
okay.
If we need to have vias and whatever, which we can't have because it's got to be
Otherwise, it
single
goes
sided.
through, yeah.
But we can put 0 ohm resistors in to jump over a few tracks here and there if we need to.
Yeah.
So what do you
So you
think?
could stay really single-sided and have the other side
Yeah.
being the panel.
Yes,
itself.
Yes, yeah. So that side is the silk screen for the. That side is the silk screen for your front panel, and this side is your project.
Yeah. Okay, so
What do you think?
from my experience, at least, if you make a good design, you can just burn the chip with the program already, and you don't need the FTDI chip. That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah, that should work. What do
Yeah.
you think? That
I would do that.
okay.
Yeah, you display obviously with our pads on this
Oh
side.
yeah,
So,
upgrading and stuff. Yeah. Okay.
No.
so,
Different
so
reason.
your display would go through the board.
Yeah.
And then you could solder because you know if you have some pads, you could solder.
Let me show this on camera because people
Yeah.
can see
Yeah.
this.
Wait a second.
Yeah. So the display would go through the PCB.
It's the same thickness, so that's perfect.
Yeah, that part of it. So you'd have a hole that size, and then where these 4 pins are here, you wouldn't have the pins sticking through, but you'd have pads on this side, so they just matches up with the pads,
Yeah.
and you could get a bit of solder on them.
Yeah. You just blob on there.
Yeah, just blob underneath a bit of solder. Or even hot air, so you just stick it on there, a bit of hot air, so it just sticks itself to the
Well,
solder.
the OLED wouldn't.
I wouldn't.
The
do
OLED
it.
wouldn't like that.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
But I'm sure we could do it with a soldering iron.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You can.
We could run some solder under. The capacitors could all be surface mount,
True.
and we only need the processor off here, and maybe a few other bits which are all
Rotary
surface mount.
encoders, you can get smaller ones.
Well, the rotary encoder would
Oh,
stick
it goes
would
through,
stick
yeah.
through the board, and then the wires from the back of the rotary encoder you can just wire them back to the pads.
There are actually SMD rotary encoders
Okay,
that you can put from the other side.
okay.
So yeah.
So that's my thought on it. So, guys, what do you think?
Yeah. That. What was the reason?
For me, this was pretty easy because what we're doing here, we're reusing this thing. This was a video enhancer in its other lifetime, in its life before, and this would be a one shot because if any one of you guys want to build this thing too, you have the problem that you need the same enclosure.
Yeah.
So this will be a one shot. We're only doing this once because we have the thing lying around here. Designing the thing will be a thing that we can do. And if we ever get to the point where we want to design this, we probably need something from AliExpress where it's a nice housing, or we have to ask Carlos all the time 3D print something.
Well,
but there's another
Okay.
There's another reason. And the reason is cost. It is probably more, it will probably cost you more to have a controller on there, have the oscillator on there,
Yeah.
have the FTDI, so the USB to serial chip on there, than grabbing a cheap nano. The nano is
Well, can't you-
two something euros or something. I probably won't use a nano. I probably use a. I have brought one with me.
well, can't we just buy a cheap nano and just unsolder the things we want off it and stick them on
How
our
much?
board?
How much wood do you want to put in there?
Well, here's a question. How much?
Yeah.
But do you think, and you guys actually, do people, hobbyists, build electronic projects to save money? Or do they build electronic projects from the experience and the enjoyment of actually building the project?
Yeah, of course you
So
can.
therefore the work is the work relevant?
Well, for me, I wouldn't.
Yeah. So.
For
I'm
me,
with,
it's simply I wouldn't.
I'm with that here because this is small enough that you can actually fit it here even.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
So you don't need to remove the chip or anything. You keep the nano as is. this as a module.
This is not like an 80 tiny something. An
Yeah.
80 tiny doesn't need support
Anything.
around this.
Yeah, exactly.
You need UPDI and you're done. With the old 80 megas 3 to 8P, you need the oscillator. You need something to interface to USB.
Yeah.
Give me a sec.
While we're talking about, there's answers coming in, and it seems that most people, or the ones that are answering, saying that as hobbyists, we build projects for the enjoyment.
Yeah,
And Paul T, I agree with you.
it does fit. Everything that we need actually fits on, and we still have space for because if you put this on the side,
Yeah.
put the screen in the middle somewhere, and this exactly nearby, you can put encoders and stuff here. Yeah, it fits. Practically, but you actually don't need the enclosure then.
Well, you'll need.
It's this.
Yes, but exactly. But when you buy this from PCBWay, you stick all your components on, you make it.
You need
and
something
then you just have some sort of box. Now, that said, the problem with this is finding some standard size enclosure.
No, I have another solution.
I have one as well. What's your solution?
Standoffs.
Robin says it. Use a commercially available project box. Yeah.
Yeah.
With you. 100.
Standoffs and PCB underneath.
How about using something cheaper?
Even cheaper. Yeah, okay, we can get those, I guess, but it's way too big for that.
Well, no, but if we make a PCB that size,
The thing is,
It
this
can-
is a standard size.
this is a standard
But,
size, and everybody
but-
can get these
No,
for nothing.
no. These, well, how this is done by clipping this in.
It's no.
This will be all different for.
No, yeah, but
if I get a different model,
Yeah,
this
but-
will
yeah,
be
it
different.
would.
Yeah, but if you look at this side of it,
No.
no.
They are not the
I
same.
hate the idea. I hate the idea.
But the back,
I would go for a new box.
the back side of it. If you look at the back side, so people can see it, they're all the same, and there's your mounting point.
Mate, you don't get me to that.
Ah.
I'm not in. I'm not in for that.
Okay.
No. I would go for a project box. Yeah. And since we were going for expanding the whole thing here, we were talking about. If you haven't seen the video, you probably don't know this. When Richard came around with this, I thought, okay, shouldn't we make this somehow portable? Get a power source in there. So we actually. Is this the thing? No, this isn't the thing. Oh, it's on the desk over here.
You took it home with you, Des.
No, it's here. It's here.
Yeah, the lipo thingy.
Yeah, we actually. The reason why the video cuts out so really a bit strange at the end was we were building this, and the only thing it did was heating up very high and didn't work. So I'll show you.
Do you want
camera.
From a camera?
No, we don't need. This is the actual thing we wouldn't use. This is probably the. This is a power bank on a chip. So it does everything you need. It has a V-in, so you get 5 volts into there. It can charge a LiPo, and with the output there, you see output 5 volt. It simply gives you 5 volt. So everything on this little board.
That should work.
Yeah, that should.
That's
But
the
it didn't.
theory,
Of
but it
course
didn't.
not. It didn't. Yeah, the only thing it did was getting freaking hot, and both of us thought, okay, we need to stop here because we don't have a second one around. I actually brought one.
Where is it, Des?
On the
desk.
table. No.
You see where the cables are?
Yeah.
Here.
No, to the left. To the left. There
Yeah,
we
there's
go.
one. Yeah, there's one with all the crap that's hanging on there.
Okay.
This is not a lipo though. It's
This is a LiPo, of course.
oh no, a polymer one. Oh, okay. So okay. I get why you did that.
There's a see the thing with the USB connector on there.
Here.
Yeah. And then the other one. This one. Yeah. Perfect. So
That's the long USB stick.
that's a long
What's
USB
the
stick,
capacity
yeah.
of that thing? How many gigabytes is this one for USB stick? Look at that.
10 LEDs in there.
Oh,
Because you do this.
I've never seen one like that.
You do this
Oh!
with that.
Cool. Hey,
I didn't expect
is
that.
this the same chip?
This is my normal load test.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Yeah, it's the same.
So this one came broken from the factory.
Yeah, this is broken. Yeah.
Can we look at this under the microscope?
That's a poor guy.
Wait, I need you to get this in shot so people can see this. So what I'm doing here, this is a little controller board. I simply dropped on a USB socket here to get USB because it's everywhere.
Yeah.
To charge the thing, there's a USB-C connector. We actually can use this here. And there's a little LiPo cell over here. This is actually a protected one. So
Yeah, it has.
don't panic, guys. It's a protected one.
It has the small chip.
Yeah.
on
Well, of course, it's protect these in a little plastic bag.
It's double protected then.
so it doesn't short.
I like the way you insulate everything so it doesn't all get tangled up and
Yeah,
broken.
you know, when I brought it over here, I thought I can't throw this simply in because it's a
this
lipo.
is live.
Yeah.
Does it shut off if below 15 milliamps?
We probably we checked with the signal generator. It draws about 60. So this is why we wanted to test this. The other way would be simply use a TP4056 with a DW01 on it to charge the battery, and then you can use a step-up converter.
What have we got? So let's look at
No,
some
I
messages
didn't read
here.
that. Yeah.
Let's go back a bit. Commercially available project box, so you can produce many PCB. Yeah, Robin, I agree with that. I think it's an idea to start uploading projects onto PCBWay with built onto the front panel.
Paul says, I wait for the right box and to show up and go to e-waste. Yeah, I probably wait to, I want to do this now and then I'm done.
Yeah.
Carl says you can put it in the front panel of your PC. Yeah, in your PC, yeah.
Yeah, true.
That would be cool, but the noise.
Ed says use a commercial 3D printed box and an 80 tiny.
The noise.
True. This is would be my choice. But if you look at this thing, you now have to include this chip over here.
Yeah.
And you have to include all the circuitry. I actually... can you look at the blue box, please?
I can.
And then you want to look up this chip here, IP5306.
Let's look at this one.
You guys, you don't have to do this. IP5306.
What, in AliExpress or elsewhere?
No, in Google.
Okay.
Because we want to have the data sheet.
By the way, Reese M, thank you very much.
No?
Pleased to catch you on live stream. Cheers.
Reese, hey.
Yeah, I'm here every 2 weeks.
Yep.
Yeah.
So
IP5306.
5306.
Yep.
Huh.
We're going to show it on the screen, don't worry.
This is coming up. Yeah, don't worry.
Okay. Switch.
I'll get you over here. Yeah, they see the data sheet. This is actually a really good chip because it does everything for you. And if you scroll down a bit, there should be a typical application. Maybe on that
Oh,
side.
yeah.
Yeah, there you go. This is all. This is everything you need.
Yep.
But you need to include this on your PCB if you want to use this.
Yeah, so...
And knowing myself, I need at least one iteration till I get this right. Ed, you say use an 80 tiny. Fine, I'm with you there. But now I have to rewrite the software. And you know what? Lazy Dad here. You know that, right? Not me. This is working and no freaking way.
What's the cost of one of these compared to a 80 tiny, let's say?
Same.
It's the same, yeah.
Because we're talking single digits.
Yeah,
amounts.
yeah.
We won't have
cents.
around 20, 50, 100
Shall
of
we
these.
look how much these are? IP
5306.
5306.
Yeah.
There we are.
And you have to have the supporting components. Don't forget that.
Well, this is the only thing you need. I can do is zoom in on the little.
This company I do trust a lot because I bought from this one, the Zooms.
€1.
€1. Some are slightly cheaper for £5.
€1 for
But the
5.
shipping on that one.
20 cents, so that's...
But if we go for another one,
all of them will have shipping.
this has free shipping.
Free shipping.
99 cents for 5 with free shipping.
Well,
So 20 cents each.
yeah.
Okay.
So this is probably the reference design you see over here.
Yeah, you have inductors,
Yeah.
capacitors. I see
Yeah,
a
you
few
actually can get away.
resistors.
You can actually get away without the little.
Can we look at one under the microscope?
Yeah, sure, true. Of course.
Oh yeah, we have that one.
Yeah, you need to switch on the other machine to the microscope.
I will. I'll do it for a moment, guys.
This one.
I'll fight with the battery over here to
I have it. You're on.
keep it in
Oh,
frame.
perfect. Yeah, thank you. Wow, so much better.
Okay, so yeah, you have one inductor. That's
Yeah,
that's
it
necessary.
does the charging and the boosting with one inductor.
That's impressive.
No, that is cool because they're doing while it's charging, they're simply putting through the 5 volt through the output, and when it's boosting, they're using the
Okay.
nice one, right?
So
Yeah,
if you change
I
it-
really love this one.
That's a smart way to fix it and just have one.
If you turn it over, see the connections all labelled.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, I like the silk screen on the back. It makes it a lot easier. Of course, they fucked up somewhere. Did you check if these are shorted? One of these, because if it heats up, it's
Is
probably
this
a
the one that
short.
gets red up?
This is the one that's broken.
There.
Oh yeah, probably this cap is gone.
We can connect it. Oh!
I see something.
Shall I get the multimeter?
Yeah, please. This will be fun. We find the fault.
Well, you know,
And
these boards go for.
And we can get the
per-
value
per-
from that one because
Yeah.
they should be the same value mostly.
Well, I'll get the multimeter built-in thermal
We have the
camera.
data sheet. We can actually look up the value there.
One multimeter thermal camera.
Yeah, but do we actually?
Oh yeah, you could use the thermal camera for this one too.
Yeah, yeah. So we need to just.
We were just touching it and we're going for, wow, this is way too hot.
Yeah,
yeah.
It's probably that
We're
cap.
going to plug it. Guys, you want to see this plugged in, won't you, very shortly?
Yeah, we're going to.
We're gonna
There's
plug
no
this in.
smoke. This is simply burning
Very hot.
Yeah.
That's why we need the.
We need to get where we can see the. We need a different camera so we can see the
I'll do this.
multimeter.
Okay.
Is that working?
No, it is.
So you want me to measure across what these capacitors?
God damn it! Glare.
Oh, I need to set it to ohms range.
Oh, sorry.
Ohms. Okay, I'm on ohms range.
We have too few cameras.
You can never have enough cameras. See where we'll measure across this capacitor.
I can get the handheld and
Oh, yeah.
simply drop it over here.
There we go.
Open. So that's shorting the leads together.
Yeah.
So 0. Well, there's no short across there.
No, it's not.
How about these ones? This is the output, I think. Oh,
There's a dead short.
dead short on the output. Unless I was just accidentally touching something by mistake.
I don't think so. Those are in parallel. No,
Dead
it's
sh-
a dead short.
The dead short on the output.
You want to cut the output cables? To be sure?
Well, let me measure the output across the output.
Whoa, sorry. I dropped it.
Yeah.
Which ones are the output? Can you see which ones are the output? Top two.
Yep.
Yeah.
Dead short.
Yes, are dead short.
But that output's not connected to anything. They're going nowhere.
Yeah, so,
So the
that's why it's
short-
not heating up now.
So the short is on the board. No, it's not plugged into the power supply. That's why it's not heating up now.
No, you simply need to connect the.
Connect the
Oh.
bench power supply, it'll heat up.
So it heats up even if it doesn't have a load.
Yeah.
Yeah, because.
Oh, yeah.
Because
right.
as we've
Zero
just,
yeah,
just
okay.
seen,
Yeah, it's shorted to completely shorted. Yeah.
so if we get our little hot air station,
We
the
remove.
cheapie,
Yeah.
and we remove.
Can we use the to
Or-
narrow?
Paul, you normally don't need because.
Okay,
if,
so-
if you look at the thing that's right on the desktop right now, and I feel there's no heat.
No, they don't heat up very much. If you're pushing them to their limit, yeah, they will.
So where are these capacitors? Because we've got this is the coil. Yeah.
Yeah.
That you booked. So the output's over here. Is it somewhere? So where are these capacitors connected? They're connected to pin. They're connected to pin 4 on this chip. Sorry, pin 8. They're going down there. And where's this end of them going to?
They have vias, but we can't see through the other side.
I
because-
guess they are output caps. So.
Yeah.
I don't.
Yeah, and
okay.
actually,
they go-
I simply grab another board because they're so cheap. If I have to spend 20 minutes on this,
Yeah, it's not worth it.
It's not worth the time.
Well, I'll tell you what, guys. Give me a moment. I'll just give them solder these.
Of course it will.
Okay.
No,
Yeah.
that's the fun of this channel.
That's
I'm
the fun.
guessing.
I mean, okay.
You could use the thermal one, so you can.
You just
pinpoint-
narrow it down.
pinpoint where the thing is.
Which one is heating up pretty much?
I don't think the capacitors will heat up at all because they're basically 0 ohms. I think the chip will heat up. So you want some leads for the power supply.
No, you simply need to connect the LiPo, the blue one.
So we connect the battery.
Yeah, and then we should have a.
Okay. So
Okay, how do you bring up the thermal camera
you
here?
see that button there that says DMM
Okay, yeah.
and thermal. But we need to get it onto a camera lens where we can see it.
Yeah, that can is already on it.
Okay, so it's just coming on now. So that's a thermal camera.
Okay.
And then
Whoa. The light. Get it.
and then what? I just connect this one.
Yeah, let me hold this.
Is that right? There. There's this long lead to the battery.
If this is V in, I'm fine.
w-
Minus
w-
should be connected.
V in.
Battery.
Eh,
Check what the battery needs to be.
Yeah, where it says battery, V bat.
Yeah. Oh, sorry for the focus, guys. I was looking at the.
Bat. Is that the thin one?
Yeah, and it's going here.
That's this long thin one.
V in. That's V in.
No, battery.
Battery.
Yeah, battery goes.
I think it's the middle one.
This thin one.
Yeah, it goes to this one. No, it's that one.
Is that, yeah.
It's
Okay.
span it
Okay,
over.
right. So get a thing where we can see the thermal camera on it.
Yep, I'm going to.
And I try to get the image from the thermal camera.
Angle it so we
On
get
the other
the
camera.
So we get the reflect. Okay, let's.
Sorry, guys.
Right, now we have it. Okay.
All right.
3 people.
Yeah. If everybody kind of comes down now.
That's the battery connected.
Okay, go.
Well, nothing warms up.
Yeah.
Oh, something's happening. Something's glowing.
Yeah.
No, there's nothing,
nothing.
happening.
So either we don't have a good connection.
No, so we can get the power supply to the voltage in.
Oh, you can do this too.
Yeah, that should
We
work.
have the USB-C on there. Yeah, we do.
Do you want to use the USB-C? Okay.
Yeah, there we have a USB.
Shall I solder the
Yeah,
battery?
but
Shall I
you-
solder this wire back onto the battery?
You could.
Okay, right.
Yeah,
let's-
because it didn't heat up.
But since it will simply put 5 volts to the output, you don't need to.
Okay,
No,
fine.
Simply use the USB-C connector.
yeah.
that should
It
do-
fell off.
Oh, yeah, there's a problem.
There's the problem. The battery fell off.
There's a USB-C lead already plugged in, so you simply connect the thing and then get back the.
Okay, so hook this up while I.
You get the thermal camera.
Yeah.
It might be better on the bench away from the.
You know what?
You know what?
That one sucks.
Hey.
No, it's a cute one. Come on.
Yeah. Okay. Mine gives a clearer image because it also has a camera, a real one.
Oh, by
Sorry,
the way,
Rich.
why are you doing that? The giveaway
there we
competition, the giveaway we did a month or two ago.
Yeah.
The Gotchi fix. So the guy Abdul messaged me yesterday to say he has his, and it's very good. He's very happy with it.
Oh, nice.
And I don't know about what was it, Hans Dampf?
Yeah, the German one.
If Hans is around anywhere, is yours arrived?
Hans, if you're online, let us know if your thing has arrived.
If you got it.
What do you want to do? We have a USB here.
I don't know. I wasn't thinking. Okay, right. So
Okay, so it's a little offset, just so you know. My fingers do not match.
I can see it now.
Yeah. Okay. Go.
Ready?
I can see clearly now.
Oh, it's on.
I think you have to press a button.
Oh, something's happened.
Yeah.
You press the button on the power button.
Yeah, I think you have to.
That one.
Oh, that was a nice flare up.
The chip. The chip.
It's the chip.
Yeah. Take it out, and it's beeping. Did you hear it?
The chip was beeping?
Oh
Yeah.
no, it wasn't the chip. It's the coil. It's trying to fire up. Beep, 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 beep.
Oh, it was a coil that was.
Yeah,
doing
coil
the
wire.
thing, yeah.
Right. So I need to take those capacitors off the board, maybe.
Yeah. So the chip got glowing hot, or
The chip got glowing hot.
yeah.
Yeah, I remember this. We were sitting at the other bench and fiddling around, and I thought, what the F? It's burning here.
Right. I'll take those capacitors off.
So
Just a reminder, this is how it looks when it works.
One moment.
yeah, it should not beep and
Yeah.
flash.
And it actually does the little thing with the LED. It shows you how much charge is left in there. So I didn't charge this very well. And this probably draws around, well, we can measure this. Do we have the Finersi USB tester
We
somewhere?
do have that, but if you remember when it was not working before, it was drawing about 450 milliamps.
I can't remember, but we can now
When it
test.
was glowing red hot.
Now we can test the thing here.
Okay.
Yep.
Right.
Inertia.
No squealing. Yeah, squealing in pain.
Kill me now.
Yeah, you poor little thing.
Please kill me. Okay, now. Oh, it detected the 5 volts. Cool.
Yeah, it does. And now we're just charging with 260, 270
Yeah.
milliamps.
Milliamps.
Yeah.
About 1.3 watts.
Yeah.
That's not bad. Okay. And yeah, no, it's not heating up at all. Pretty much.
So this will be my my contribution here. So we probably drive the whole thing from this. The big upside with this chip is that you simply can charge it. While you charge it, you can use it because
Yeah.
it simply gives you the 5 volt on the output down. So no,
That's cool actually, because I have a few consoles that can't charge while playing, and it sucks so much.
yeah, I believe you. Yeah.
So yeah, perfect. Well, I like this. Why is it so dim?
Probably it's going into some power save.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
it is. I was getting worried I would destroy this Finersi thingy. I actually ordered myself a cheaper version of this. This was like 30, right? Or something like that?
I don't know. I only have a cheap one of these.
Yeah, I haven't even bought one cheap
Yeah.
one, but I actually noticed I'm missing one.
They're only 30 something euros.
Oh, do you want to discharge it completely?
No, I'm fine.
No.
So this stays on for 30 seconds now, and then it switches off completely.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah, if we can get the LED somewhere on the back panel, we maybe can even show the level of the charge. You can drop in 5 volt into the USB-C, and then it should be charging.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Well, how do you get a light pipe, I guess? How do you do that cheaply? Oh, I know. You make holes, non-castellated holes, no...
I'd probably do this simple thing and simply do a cutout in the ground plane, so I can shine a light through the ground planes.
But then you have to have it upside down towards the...
Yeah. No, I don't have to, because I simply hope that it spills enough light over there.
Okay, you go that route. I was thinking making light pipes out of hot nut through holes.
Okay, you guys have too much time on your hands.
I have.
Light pipes are easy.
Yeah.
You just connect the snot to both sides.
Yeah.
That's it.
I've unsoldered one of the capacitors.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we're lucky.
Well, I'm just going
Oh yeah.
to measure the resistance of it. Mark.
Yeah, I know that.
It might be a good idea.
Maybe a good first check. Yeah.
So we're on ohms. So you just touch the ohms button. What's that?
Okay.
And then we get this so we can see it on the camera.
Oh, me again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, measure across that where the capacitor was taken off.
Still short.
It's still short.
Just measure across the other one. They are in parallel, aren't they, these two?
Huh.
What?
Yeah.
You see the short across both of them?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll remove the other one moment.
Guys, now you see why I simply switched the board.
Yeah. So
I don't want to spend half an hour searching for
the
hunting
only
for this
reason
thing,
you would do this.
because I know it doesn't work, and
Yeah.
the board is too cheap to hang around and try to fiddle around with it.
So the only reason you would do this if you only have one left.
True, but you never order only one of these.
Yeah. After experience, yes. But
Can we the blue box of that?
most people actually just order
crap,
exactly
this is
what
the
they
wrong
need. There we go.
Yeah, because
Oh,
normally I do this thing when I order these. Ooh, so over here are the little modules like these, and I think there are 10 in there or something.
no, still.
There's still a short.
Yep.
Can we just look at that? So that is probably right. So we still have a short on here.
Yeah.
Could be the chip. The chip could be broken.
The chip could be broken, yeah, because we still have a short on these two.
Can we see the meter?
Sorry, that 3-man job to measure it.
So
I know.
just measure across this other capacitor underneath the coil.
This one?
Yeah.
And the big one, okay.
No short there.
And this one? This one?
Well,
That shouldn't.
I'm not sure what you're trying to measure now from one end of one to one end of the other. Yeah, that little one.
Yeah. It's shorted.
Right, let me remove that one.
Absolutely right. If we would do this on a job,
No.
people would say, "Are you crazy sitting around with 3 people trying to figure out which one of this cap has gone?"
Yeah.
These are cents for a chip, so the time you spend as an engineer is way more expensive.
Yeah. No. For a job, no. For a hobby, to learn what the frick went wrong, yeah.
Go again.
Yeah, but you probably know. Okay.
Yeah.
From-
It's the chip,
Yeah,
probably.
one of the chips is gone.
Is the short still there?
Yeah, it's still there. So it's the main
Okay,
chip.
that's the only other place it goes to.
Yeah, it's the main chip.
Okay. Oh well.
Yeah, Paul's right. Yeah, little one is quite parallel to the big ones, filtering higher frequencies than a big one. Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Yeah.
You are 100% right.
Reese, yeah, I'm with you there, but you know, it must be worth something. Fixing something like this board, nah. This is the point where I'm out here and say no, I won't fix. I won't fix this.
Yeah, I fix a lot of stuff that's not worth it, video games and stuff. People think it's not worth it, let's say.
Okay.
But some of the stuff you can't get anymore, and you have to fix it. You
Yeah.
don't have a choice.
Yeah.
So, can we look at something else that I've been asked to repair that I don't think I can repair?
Oh, okay.
We'll just clear a bit of space.
Yeah.
Anybody want to be here?
Oh yeah, please.
I'll keep up with my Red Bull. Don't worry.
Rory, prove it what that is the chair.
Uh, there we go. I put your stuff
Yeah,
over
put
there.
this with this. And,
Yeah.
Maybe the blue box somewhere in the vicinity, so I don't forget to bring it home.
It's beer time.
Let's do this.
It's beer time. Detlef.
No, thank
Oh,
you.
oh,
So
oh.
you got my
What is that on there?
Condensation.
You got my dorada for
You
me.
need a
It
kitchen
smells
roll.
like bacon. What?
What is that?
It smells like hot dogs.
Yes, please.
Oh my.
The hot dogs dying in there.
Oh, do you have hot dogs in there?
Detlef, put something in here. Right, this one's fine. This one's clean.
I'm fine here, I think.
Yeah, no,
maybe some
just clean it off.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hot dog water on
All
that
right,
list.
okay. Maybe I need to tomorrow. I need to clean the fridge, right?
There's a story about this, but I'm not sure you want to tell it.
No, I don't want it.
What? Now I'm curious.
No, you aren't. Shut up.
Oh, okay.
So-
we live be.
So here's a repair job.
Do you like the shirt? I got it from Detlef.
This is a good one. Let me tell the story. So
Oh.
the customer asked me if I would reinstall Windows on it.
Computer.
Okay. So I put a fresh installation of Windows 10 on because it was all clogged up with crap and
Yeah.
So I took it back and I charged her €20
Yeah,
to do
okay.
this job
Fine.
because it's got a license key already built into the laptop and that. So just
you just
ISO
reused it.
job done. So and they says, "Oh, it's still too slow. Can you fit me an SSD?" So she didn't pay me the 20. So I didn't fit the SSD because this company owed me some money for another job. They will pay me, but they're a bit slow. So anyway, I brought the laptop here, and it's been sitting here for 6 weeks, 6 weeks,
Yeah.
doing nothing. And I'm not going to do the job until they pay me for the other job. They owe me €280 at the moment.
Yeah, I agree with that.
So when they say, "Is it ready?" I said, "Pay me for the job and I'll do it." Anyway, so she's going to Sweden. So they said, "Can she have it?" She wants it back while she goes to Sweden. So I give it to them back, and now they say it's got a problem. So it's only been sitting here in our air-conditioned office. But the truth is, I don't know if the problem it has, it's already had when I got it back.
Yeah.
And you don't need to take the back off it; just switch it on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Switch it on, please.
So it's one of those.
So the question is, can this be repaired? And what caused it to go wrong?
Okay, I turned it on.
Has the battery got any charges?
It will take time.
Is it booting up? Yes.
It's
It's like right. You can see.
it's a hard
No,
drive.
you can see the problem already. Look towards the bottom of the screen.
No, you can't see this on camera.
I can see. Oh, I can see it on the camera very well. Look.
Wait for the
You can see.
for the desktop.
You can
This?
see, yeah, this.
That's a broken screen.
I don't think it's a broken screen.
Give me a sec. Could I get a plastic scraper?
Spudger.
Yeah.
Can you get the camera so we can see this very well? So we can
See, I
clearly
can't see this on camera.
No. So this is going to be hard.
You have to go past this screen to get to the main.
Yeah, so you can see the white.
Log in.
Log in.
Log in.
There, now have we?
Yeah,
No, you can see.
I'm Swedish. So
Oh, you're at home now.
yeah, that's actually light leakage. And it,
Look at this.
that's
stuff.
mold. That's mold.
I think it's mold.
It's mold inside the screen.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Yeah.
That's what we thought.
Let me just test something. There's a ribbon right here that you can push down on and make stuff disappear. You know the vertical lines you can get sometimes, or vertical lines from top to bottom you can get on.
I think it's mold.
Yeah,
Look.
this is mold.
So how did mold get in there?
Here, it's open. Look.
Yeah,
you can-
yeah. I said this got in through there as well.
Yeah. So she spilled some drink
This is what I said.
and probably
Something with sugar in it,
and it
or
got in.
alcohol.
And it got in through the layers. Okay, so this is not fixable, pretty much.
That's what I think.
That's what I said.
Okay, give me a sec. I'm just checking where it is. There's a ribbon connected right here somewhere. There it is. Let's see if it changes. I can feel the plastic ribbon. Oh, so much. this doesn't pick up on the camera. It's like sandy inside.
Yeah.
Do you hear it?
Something, yeah, I can hear it. Something's in this. It's what you say. Some liquid has spilt. It's
Yeah.
gone in there, and then some microbial things have come and grown on it.
Yeah, pretty much. So it broke the seal. This usually is quite tight and not this loose. I can probably take it off completely. This is a bezel. You can take it off. It has 2 rows of what's it called, the ribbons on the side, and it has a ribbon.
Flex.
Flex ribbon
Flex.
cables, and these do delaminate.
Yeah, well, that causes lines on the
Exactly,
screen.
the horizontal or vertical.
Yeah, it doesn't cause this.
So, yeah, but because that delaminates, it leaves a small gap in between the polarizer and the screen, and that lets the liquid suck in. Capillary effect, because this is hotter than this.
Right, so Paul T says it's all sprayed with window cleaner, it got rancid. Dutch Linux screen needs to be replaced.
Yeah.
Just change the letterbox display format, problem solved.
I like that.
Cheers,
solution.
man, Paul.
I like that.
Yeah,
solution.
good one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, does everybody say this can't be repaired? And I don't see this as my responsibility, but I know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
She's going to come back and say that's my fault because it's just been sitting here for weeks. I haven't even done anything with it.
This is a lot of time in between. So
Okay. So when I gave her this back after we put the Windows 10 on, it was fine.
Yeah. So. Okay. You can clean the crap is on the polarizer. In front of the screen on the LCD, it's not. This is a polarizing film on the top. It's in between the polarizer and the screen.
So you can't get in there. You can't do anything, can you?
Yes, you can. You can peel this off and then take off the polarizer. Problem is, on these screens, not on a TV, you have taking off a TV. It has
Yeah.
multiple
There's layers. Yeah. I've done that.
Okay, this has the same, but it's glued on.
Right.
So you have to buy a new polarizer. You have to practically take fishing line and screw
Hi,
it off.
Joe. Peaceful July.
So no,
This is what Tom Sorrentino said. Can the layers be individually cleaned? I don't think you can get them apart like that.
laptop screens normally don't have. It has a few back layers. So you see the. Okay, let me try to. You see the white spots. You can probably fix those, but the black spots that are in front, you can't, because the front polarizer is glued on. The back one, for the backlight, that's why it's showing up as white, can. You can take that apart. It's a sandwich.
Yeah.
But this is a metal can inside.
Yes, it
here
is.
That holds the stack completely shut, and usually actually sealed around. So the sealant around has failed for some reason.
Yeah. Yes, because normally nothing should be able to get into it. It's like you say, it feels gritty in it, like
Yeah,
sand.
it's sand. It's probably sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah, so they dropped a sugary drink, cola, let's say. I actually have a TV I'm fixing at home with cola spilled right into here as well. And it gets in between the layers. And then because this is hotter and this is colder, because this doesn't get warm, because of the backlight, it sucks it up. It's
Right.
like like capillary action. And then it stays there, and then if it's enough liquid, you can get mold.
Okay. So we can't fix it.
No, I
People-
wouldn't.
People are saying you can take anything apart, says Rory. I'm more with Cartha here. He says too much hassle to take it apart the screen.
Yeah.
Pretty cheap for laptops, yeah. I would
Yeah.
do the same.
And if I break the screen, it's even more my fault.
And then
Yeah,
you
yeah,
spend
yeah.
2 hours just trying to get the thing in there, and there's no guarantee that you can fix it.
No. There's
Okay.
If this starts to eat on the polarizer or something, then you can't fix it anyway.
you have to cut off the polarizer. That always have big chance of cracking the screen. So no, I would say absolutely not fixable. Change the entire screen if you are going to do anything.
Yeah.
Pretty much. And you can get these screen modules for about €50, but it's not Richard's fault. This is drink or liquid come in here, and this is the customer's fault, or the production.
Richard used one of the power banks.
Yeah, I need a lead to connect to the power bank.
Okay, perfect.
There.
I don't see any damage on this, drop damage or anything, so it is just a failure of the seal inside the screen.
Okay. So there's that one. That can't be fixed.
Yeah, it's,
Right.
let's say it's not worth fixing and it's not
Hey,
your
fix
fault.
it. Good evening, mate.
Hi, mate.
Okay. So next one.
Yeah, 100% customer's fault. This can't be done by a technician in such a short time. It got mold inside after he fixed it, so no. And I know Rich, he doesn't drink near his work, so...
Well, it was never on the bench. He just sat it over on the shelf.
Exactly.
On the
it's
in shelf.
It's a reinstallation. Yeah, a reinstallation doesn't create mold.
Right.
I've had customers like that want a free repair as well. Oh yeah, I had a car workshop here on the island 10 years ago or so. I was offering steam cleaning of the underside of the carriage of the car. I have a steam cleaner at home, professional one. And I fixed the car, I lifted up on the lift and steam cleaned it. He came back 2 hours later and said his brakes had failed and was my fault. How does steam cleaning the undercarriage of the car fail the brakes? No, even you don't have a car, right?
I don't have a car.
Yeah,
And I don't know anything about cars.
but is it logical to ask for money for something that's not even related? No. So it ended up with call the police if you want to. I'll explain it to the police and they will laugh in your face. And he did, and they did. Are you stupid? How can if your brakes break from water, warm water, you should have changed them long ago.
You shouldn't drive in the rain.
Yeah, pretty much. You should.
Oh yeah, but it doesn't rain. It doesn't rain here, so no hits.
That's why he didn't notice. It never rains here. What did they do? Glue the brakes on.
So, did you guys see this on the review? This scope meter that was pretty bad.
Rich stole again my guitar picks. You're right.
They came as sponges, actually.
I know.
I'm not sure that'd work as a guitar pick.
No, it wouldn't. Yeah, we now have a singer, a female one.
Ooh.
Yeah. One of these days we'll do a live thing on the
with
show.
curvy bits everywhere where she should have.
Yeah. And,
Did I see this one? No, I didn't.
So this didn't work very well.
Okay.
The oscilloscope was doing bad things. So actually for Nursey were fine. I gave it a very mixed review and they were absolutely fine with that. Oh, you seen the review? Okay.
For your channel, this was a very moderate thing. I would probably rip this apart.
Okay. So anyway, somebody said, if you connect to measure a capacitor and the capacitor is charged, will it blow up? Because he says his meter, it saw something on the screen, so it's discharging the capacitor and then it measures it. He says, but a lot of these cheap Chinese test equipment
Don't have the discharge.
don't have the discharge. So if you connect a charged capacitor to it and try to measure it, it'll blow up.
But wouldn't that?
So
Okay.
There are your explosions.
no, I can't actually charge it. Oh, this has got a bit of a dent in it.
I don't think you want to charge charge
I
that.
don't.
If it has a dent, it means the layers are touching.
Okay, let me find one that isn't dented. So this is 100. But
We maybe don't want to test this.
well,
Not with this one, at least.
No.
Maybe we try this one.
This is shorted internally, 100%.
So we can only charge it up to 30 volts off the power supply.
Yeah.
So guys, how much voltage shall we put into it?
Oh no.
I guess 30.
Is 30 going to be the one?
And you saw the marking on the thing. It can go up to 100.
I'll go up to
right?
100.
Yeah.
30, yeah.
Yeah.
Carter, we thought it would say 30. Right, let me just see if the power.
Okay.
Let me just see if the power supply.
Where is the BNC connector for this?
Well, you don't need it because we're going to use the multimeter mode to measure capacitors.
Yeah, but does it have multimeters?
Yes, it comes.
Oh,
with,
yeah.
It comes with 2 scope probes, but I haven't.
They
Here.
were somewhere here.
Here are scope probes. Okay.
But you connect the multimeter, so obviously.
Give me a sec. Come.
Rowan says 110 volts.
Yeah, on foot
They are
110 volts.
They're out for blood.
They're ambitious, aren't they?
We have 220 here, unfortunately. We don't have.
Okay.
And this,
For a second, I was.
I thought the stream.
Oh,
crashed.
we are still streaming. I just connected the power lead to
Yeah, no, the screen turned off.
I did see that. Well, shall we try it?
Dog.
Shall we try it at 12 volts first?
You don't want to kill it immediately. Okay, fine.
Well, let's give it a few chances. So we're on 12 volts, so we charge the capacitor. first.
Negative. You have blue to negative. Yeah.
I have blue to negative.
Just in
Yeah,
case.
well, it's a good check.
Just a question for safety.
Okay, so it's charged.
Yeah. Is that enough?
That should be plenty. I don't think we'll charge it anymore. So now we need to go onto the scope.
Yeah.
The power button.
I don't want to. 12 volts shouldn't be enough to pierce skin or anything.
Okay.
You're fine.
And then we
You
want
can
to go,
even lick it, I think.
now we go to multimeter mode.
I wouldn't, but
Okay.
it's like licking a car battery. You're asking for trouble.
We're in multimeter mode. Now we need to choose capacitance. Range. Oh, gear.
What?
I know, you should say mode, I'm sure. Gear.
Yeah.
Oh, would you like to put the funcation?
Function.
Look, this one here, I love it. Funcation.
What does the button do?
It does some functions in the
Okay,
it's
so
like
it's-
a-
It's a funky button.
maybe it was a game or
yeah.
something.
One thing that really annoyed me about this is when you press to select a range,
Yeah.
you have to press gear or touch somewhere on the screen to switch it. It doesn't just switch.
Okay.
So we're on cap, right? So do you want to measure our cap?
Yeah. So
I mean, we can check the voltage first. If some voltage, I'm sure there is some voltage in it.
yeah, there should be. Okay, let's go voltage.
Gear, voltage. Measure your voltage. Measure your cap. What voltage do we have?
If I don't short them out first. I did short them out.
Did you short this out?
Okay, so let's do this. So that
Oh, you've spread its legs. You want to
Yeah.
charge? Do you want to charge it again?
Yeah, let's do this again.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Paul,
Give Carlos a power supply and the capacitor charge. He
I'm
can't
with
do
it. These guys have very strange ideas on how fonts should look. Now you have some serif font in there.
Yeah.
Sometimes in Roman as a
Yeah,
measurement
no,
thing.
and it's mixed all around. There
Right.
are different fonts.
There's a capacitor charge.
No.
Oh?
Really?
Have
Is it on AC?
you pushed the leads all the way into the holes?
Okay, yeah, that will explain it.
That was an easy fix.
Right, 11.5 volts.
Yeah, and dropping. Yeah, perfect. Okay.
Right, so
Let's go over to
cap.
cap. God damn it, that's awkward.
Okay, right, measure your cap.
0?
0.
0. Interesting.
Let's charge it again. Oh no, there we go.
No, 1.9.
Nanofarads.
And it's a 2.2. Yeah, it's a 2.2, so 1.9, so not nanofarads.
Yeah, it didn't blow up. Okay, let's
Did it read it right?
almost.
And has it discharged it now?
Yeah. So it takes a while.
Well, they all do.
Yeah.
1,900 microfarads. No, 1.9 millifarads. That's 1,900 microfarads.
Yeah.
Okay, so it didn't blow up.
Yeah, so it's correct.
Well, you only had 12 volt in there.
Okay, well measure the voltage across again now.
Yep.
Yeah.
God damn it.
What voltage you have? It's discharged.
Yeah.
Right, now shall we charge it to 30 volts?
I get where you're going.
Okay, so charge your capacitor. You can share the power supply that we're on 30 or 28.3.
Okay.
Why is it on? Oh, let me just. Right, I'm on 31.5. Whoa, okay.
Next one.
I wanted that on camera. That's why.
Okay, so the capacitor's charged.
Yep.
Right, measure the cap. Oh, you're on volts range at the moment.
Yep.
I'm sure we can accept it's got the voltage in it.
Yeah, there was before.
You get
so
measures.
why not? Stop spinning around. It takes a while. So it's discharging it.
Probably.
I'd say it's discharging it.
Okay.
So if we get a reading. Wait. Oh.
This shouldn't take that long.
Shouldn't take that long, should it?
Am I?
Oh, no, it's got it.
Yeah.
What? Yeah, 1.1800.
Yeah.
Let's measure this so it doesn't blow it up.
But now there is no voltage in it.
I'm sure if you measure the voltage, go gear volts. So, yeah, the question was, will
Yeah.
it blow up?
So it discharges it until 0.3 volts and then it measures.
Yeah, okay, that's good.
It didn't blow up.
It didn't blow.
You can follow what it does with the second multimeter.
It does this blow up.
Oh, that's an idea. Yeah, so charge it again and you can watch it discharge. Yeah.
Yeah, and we can get a nice bang again.
Yeah, please. Come on.
Oh, It just went click.
Considering Richard is a pro at this, he's very skittish about electric sparks and stuff.
No, I have an engineer's reflex. Take a 300 volt cap in a diode and put it into the wall and charge it 240 volts. It will blow.
Well, you could use the fancy new power supply.
Yeah.
The caps on there will be charged to 300 volts. Something.
Yeah, you can probably do that. But that would mean if you measure them in circuit with voltage in them, it will also blow up, right?
Well, there are probably ways to do this up here.
Yeah. You can always blow up something.
Yeah.
Let's be real. Okay, so let's go for where the frick is.
Volts.
Paul, there the Space 1999 font.
No, not volts.
Yeah, you want to measure the voltage on this one.
Yeah, you want to have
well,
voltage.
you measure the capacitance of the other one. We should see discharge.
Yeah. Don't blow up my gotcha fix thing.
No.
Oh,
This is
was that what the idea was?
Yeah, so the idea is now to measure the voltage on here,
Yeah.
and you should see the voltage. It says it's a high voltage.
Oh,
now,
yeah.
now measure the capacitance. What I'm doing. Keep it like. Now you want to measure the cap.
Oh, crap.
Oh, you wouldn't. You
You can't do this all on the screen here.
Yeah, sorry. Where's the other wire? Oh, I'm missing one. Oh, no, down there. Sorry, guys. Ah, I stabbed myself. Get damn it.
Right, measure the cap, and we should see it discharge.
Is this capacitance? No, it's not.
Okay.
I'm trying to get this orange shot here.
Okay.
Oh yeah, look, it's discharging.
Yeah, it is. Let's see to what voltage it charges.
It's 0.3.
Oh, sorry, I slipped.
I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The 0.3.
Yeah,
Cool.
that's not bad. I mean,
It depends on the resistance of the discharge circuit here.
yeah,
If it can handle 200 volts or 400, it's
yeah.
fine.
I don't think the current's a problem because it was discharging quite slowly.
Yeah.
So it's obviously a fairly high resistance
Yeah.
discharge circuit. So yeah, I think that's passed that test.
That's good to know at least.
Yeah.
That was a pass.
Okay, so this won't blow up immediately at 40 volts, let's say.
Yeah.
200 and something volts, I wouldn't want my fingers too close to that cap either way.
Wuss.
So this is debt left. You're going to take it away.
sorry.
Yeah, and that's the. Yeah. So anyway, with this thing, guys, we haven't destroyed it, and if Finersi send me some more.
Maybe you can update it via firmware.
Yeah, I've asked them. They didn't get back to me.
Yeah.
I've been discussing it. They're getting back to me. So hopefully,
Yeah, I've asked. You know the oscilloscope I got.
yes.
I asked Hanmatech for the firmware files and the source code, and we're going to review it internally and see if actually I could get it. So I was shocked to get a reply because it's a good scope, but the interface sucks. So if they make it open source, the community can make it for them, and it's a win-win.
Which would be a really good selling point.
Yeah, it's a win-win. Hanmatech will get a nice interface for free, and the community gets exactly what they want. So.
Oh.
What the hell? Why is it this so yellow? It was yellow when you bought it. Right?
Yeah. It was yellow when we bought it.
Okay. It looked like the old Commodore 64 when they're yellow.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah.
But when it's clear white, then you get this shit.
Like it was
10
years with a smoker.
I was going to buy one of these today.
That is a bit,
Really?
Yeah,
I think you don't want
yellow.
to.
That is.
I'm pretty sure I didn't want to when I
think-
saw the price.
Yeah, this is one of the €3 things.
Oh,
and,
3. Okay,
yeah,
you got
yeah.
even cheaper than.
Okay, Paul T. Why do many meters today take so long at measuring capacitance? My Fluke does not do it in a split second, but my capacitance meter does. So let's just quickly do this before we do that.
Okay, capacitance meters are a bit different built, right? because they measure frequency across as well to measure ESR.
You asking me?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Richard,
What's that?
how do capacitance meters work?
Well,
Because
if you have looked with an oscilloscope, they produce a very strange waveform.
yeah, it uses frequency to
does
measure
some- it
ESR.
does
Right?
some-
Thanks,
not-
Carter. I would
no.
have said the same.
That's in the
Thanks.
SR meter.
Where's Carter? There.
Okay, so
Yeah, exactly. I agree completely.
so capacitance.
Yeah.
Of course you can. Do you have so much time on your hands?
Capacitance. Right, measure it.
Yeah, I can reverse engineer the
So you need to
binaries.
use the CPU. Then they need to figure out what's the right decompiler for that. So
I am a programmer, Dutch,
No.
so
no, thank
I
you.
can actually reverse engineer stuff, but it takes so long. That is right. It would take me like 5 weeks or so to completely decompile everything, and because it's a bare bones
And
system as
Even
well.
then, you only have machine
Keep
code.
waiting.
Then.
Yeah, exactly.
So you don't have any high-level C code. You get machine code.
But if you want to get the firmware
No,
out, you can get it with Ghidra, pretty much. Otherwise,
That's what we crackers do all the time. So if you wait and wait and wait a bit, this will read the capacitor. And this is my fluke, and it doesn't read them instantly. Just wait a bit, we'll do it. It just takes a good while.
I agree. My assembly is shit. But you have ChatGPT now. You can ask to
Look, there's-
convert it.
No.
There, so,
No,
there, so
no.
it's reading.
This is maybe for an
Yeah, it's reading it.
x84, x86 or x64. This is maybe doable, but not for any microcontroller
Okay.
code.
Yeah.
So I used to program an assembly on my Amiga.
Yeah, and Amiga was a,
68,000.
It's a lot easier.
was a 16-bit machine.
And
Man.
there was a
This was so
It
easy.
was a 32-bit machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was so
Yeah. The instruction set for a 64-bit processor nowadays is insane. Pretty
Yeah,
much.
you don't have any documentation in
No.
those cases.
You can, I've also programmed some Windows in assembly as well. You can-
Yeah, you can do basic
Yeah.
stuff.
Okay,
And,
sorry.
and you can use a knife to stab you in the foot. Yeah, sure.
I've hacked many programs. I won't name which ones, but removed key
Look, see
shapes
that?
and stuff.
Now that reads it straight away.
That's okay. So if we charge this up,
I respect my capacity. However, what we can
I
do,
feel you, man.
however, what we can do is have a quick look at the waveform that comes out of that capacitance meter.
okay, yeah, get the oscilloscope.
Here's an oscilloscope.
Yeah, okay, that should be good enough.
Good enough for Australia, indeed.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Get the got you fixed oscilloscope meter. Yeah, should be fine.
Yeah.
Uh,
Where's the scope?
you have to press something, don't you?
Yeah, but I still need to choose something first and then press,
Yeah.
right?
Dad, can you remember how we get to the scope on this?
Oh man, can I remember? Yes, you need, hold down auto. Auto,
Oh, no, hold down water. That's it.
I think.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I'm in the scope.
because,
Yeah,
it doesn't say this on screen. Yeah,
Very intuitive.
yeah, I talked to them and said,
Okay.
you can't do this, guys.
So look at the
why isn't there?
Look
Can
at the
you,
waveform.
can you change them?
Hmm?
So I get the screen from the oscilloscope on John.
Okay, so
Okay, so we've
I'm putting the probes together like this. So they're way based on noise, obviously. Nothing.
well, it should be because I've seen some waveforms.
Yeah, maybe while measuring. No, it should have a waveform all the time.
You should have a waveform.
Yeah, put it up higher. Yeah, exactly. Nothing.
Maybe you need a cap.
Push the auto again.
No,
Maybe it's-
you won't see the waveform if you get a cap. How strange. Oh,
wait.
wait, maybe it's too low level.
Yeah. Yeah.
There.
There we go.
You've got it.
Tom,
Focus.
I don't get this either.
That's the waveform that comes out of the capacitance meter. But if you use a multimeter in capacitance mode,
Mhm.
you don't see that. So it is so that reads them instantly.
Mhm.
Now we'll put the multimeter in capacitance mode.
Yeah. It uses a different technique, I'm guessing. Oh, look at my finger.
Yeah,
The indent.
yeah, try it. So
Let's give me a sec. Oh,
yeah, we've done with that one.
disaster. Ah! God damn it.
You've been well stabbed there.
Yeah.
My fluke has extremely short meter probes. If you notice
Yeah,
that,
look at these needles.
they are ridiculously short, and they're very rigid as well. So they happily. So this won't do the same thing.
No.
Tom, I was asking the same.
Yes,
because
it is.
Yeah, but it's not the same waveform at
No,
all.
it's a lot smaller.
A completely different shape.
There we go.
Oh, it's there. But it's not the same, is it? It's a different
It
waveform.
actually. There we go. No, it's not the same, but this is a pulsed sawtooth. See, it
Look-
waits and then it's.
And then it does something again, yeah.
Yeah.
Then it does a different sort of pulse. So for whatever reason, the multimeter and the
You have a
capacitance
capacitor
meter.
inside.
Oh yeah, reading the capacitance of your scope, 3,800. we're reading the capacitance of Det's scope meter. Oh, it's going up.
Hook up the cap. Okay,
Anyway.
we need alligator
No,
cubes. for that.
you won't see anything put a cap there. The
Yeah,
cap
because it eats up the waveform pretty much.
yeah, and it will be probably very
the
slow. for us
capacitor
to-
will so anyway, so they work in a different way somehow.
You can get a discharge curve from a real oscilloscope. I think Richards can do that. Mine too. Okay, so do we need? Yeah, we'll probably need this in a while.
All right. So Carlos is at the thing.
We have a piece of Cheetos.
Oh yeah, let's announce it. Cheap Chinese crap. Yay, cheap Chinese crap. Or is it not crap?
For €3, it's crap.
Somewhere,
crap
I
or
don't
not
know,
crap.
3 or 5 euros. So
Yeah.
don't expect any high quality.
I saw one of these for 7.
I also got some resin base that comes out of a needle.
What?
What? What are they talking about? Resin.
Yeah, I would guess 5-volt output too. Yeah.
Weights inside.
Does it
Yeah.
say anything?
Oh, Carl
PD?
always stabs with his probes.
So it doesn't say anything PD on. Yeah,
Oh,
PD USB.
Oh, PD would mean that we can do anything else than 5-volt.
You
This
can
is a
fin
thing.
raise, please. There we go.
Somebody might use Atari assemblies cartridge. So on the Amiga, when I was programming the Amiga, I had one of those action replay things that you could freeze
Yeah.
it, and then you could look at your code, and I used it for debugging
Yeah,
my own code.
memory dumping and changing values.
But I usually use it so because you could actually read all the registers and the chipset and everything.
We have a microscope, right? Can we get this
Oh yeah.
tiny
Well, you
rifle
certainly
on the
can, because
microscope?
the microscope should be on now. You have to hold the power button there.
Yeah, you have to.
There we go. Wait for it. Wait for it.
I'm waiting
There.
for it.
Okay, so there's text here Detlef wanted to read.
Because I wanted to see what the
specs.
specific specs were. You maybe want to turn down the ring light.
No, it's fine. We can read it.
No, there is
Let's
read.
get there.
I can turn it down a bit.
Oh,
Yeah.
very much better.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no. This is better. Yeah.
So USB-C 1 and 2, 5-volt, 3 amp per port.
Okay, that's good.
USB-A, 3 amp per port.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and
It's
USB-C.
all 5 volts, 3 amp, so it says it everywhere.
Yeah, so it's 3 amps, pretty much per
So
per
they're
port.
not
Per port? Does that mean like you can use them simultaneously? 3 amps on each one? How many
Yeah.
amps? That's
lots of amps.
that's lots of amps.
Yeah.
How many ports does this have? Okay, overhead 1, 2, 3.
USB-C. How many
USB.
ports does it have?
2 USB-Cs.
Can we get to those on the camera?
I will try. I try
Yeah.
to read some
Oh, yeah.
comments here while
So-
we're doing that.
There's 4 A ports and 2 C ports.
Well, let's think about this. Is it 5 volts or yeah, it's not a PD.
Yeah,
it's
no,
5
no,
volt.
it's actually PD.
Well,
Go back to those reading again.
Yeah,
there.
but it doesn't say PD.
What does it say on there? Does it mention that the different voltages?
Yeah, 5 volts,
but it's
Well,
only saying
5
5 volts.
volts.
Yeah, it's 3 amps.
The last one, pure ports.
1, 2, 3.
Does, oh yeah, 5 volts. Yeah, no, all
So
of
it's
them.
not PD.
So marketing bullshit.
So if it is only 5 volts, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
to get 65 watts out of it, you need 13 amps. Is that correct?
Yeah.
5 times 13.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that needs to supply 13 amps to get 65 watts
So
at 5 volts.
3, 3, 3. No, it doesn't.
3, 6, 9,
Uh,
12.
Yeah, okay.
15, 18 amps. How is it? Yeah. It's, okay, so it needs to provide 13 amps out of that.
So you need to use all the connectors, pretty much.
Yeah. So and only one device can connect to one connector.
Mm.
So the most you can get out of one connector is 15.
Tom says the right
watts.
thing. Just plug in the frequency because it should detect if there's some
PD or something.
PD
Correct.
going on there.
Do these ports have PD?
No.
No.
You need a
I need
USB-C
USB-C,
cable.
yeah.
USB-C to USB-C.
I'm sure
The
you have one.
charge cable for
No, I can use the charge cable. I think this is data.
You need one other important thing as well.
power to the pump,
Yeah.
to the thing.
Have I got an extension with you?
Sorry, guys.
Oh, I'm working. There we go. Okay, so input.
Londo, about the oscilloscope. My pet peeve would be a protocol analyzer in there. Carlos didn't mention that, but his
Oh, yeah.
scope doesn't have has a protocol analyzer.
Agreed.
So for me, this would be a no-go, because this is way more interesting or way more important than any NTSC test thingy. So you maybe want to put this into consideration there.
Yeah, it doesn't have a. Of course, if you have a protocol analyzer separate.
You know what I have here?
No.
I have dodgy lead.
Oh my god.
God. Yeah.
Dodgy
It's a
lead.
gas doctor.
This is the death trap adapter lead. I'm going to plug the power in, the monitor might go off.
Yeah.
No, they-
Guys, if we suddenly disappear, it's just the dodgy.
This is the death.
Okay.
The gas doctors are now.
This is the death trap.
Yeah.
Don't look at this.
You can't see it.
Oh, yeah, right. Wrong way. There we go. It didn't blow up.
All right, that's a good sign.
5 volts. No PD whatsoever.
Well, it's 5 volts. Okay, good.
It is.
I had the thing, right? The LED.
the LED light.
Yeah.
How many amps does that draw?
260 something.
Sorry, I'm sleepy. Sorry. I went to bed at 6 in the morning because I couldn't sleep off because of my back. Sorry, guys.
Okay.
So what's it drawing?
It's drawing 1.5 watts.
For once, it's working.
It's actually working as intended.
Wow. Hold on.
Do we have something that charges with PD? Oh, my phone.
Oh, your phone does, yeah, of course.
So if I hook up, we need another USB-C lead. Got that one. So
Remember this thing? Multi-load.
yeah,
We can load
At
USB with
least
this.
this comes to a. And we have a PD on there.
yeah. On this one.
Yeah, of
Okay,
course.
okay. Let's go. with that one.
We have a decoy.
Yeah.
However, what you can do for now is we can connect our power supply directly onto that one.
Yeah, that was the idea.
So, we need a lead, don't we, of some sort?
Yeah.
What do you need? There's a USB-C in.
Yeah.
Okay, so you need a USB-C in on that one.
No, we have a cable already here. We need the display thing. The display thing.
Which display thing?
That little module with a display on there.
Okay. Is that thing I'll just throw on one side here?
Probably.
Nope.
Not that one.
Nope.
There is something.
The little OLED display. You remember we did a video.
We
about
did a
this.
video, but however, we can connect it via this.
Yeah,
We can, yeah.
We can still.
Then
see.
I need a second wire.
Yeah, we need a second
So what do we need?
USB-C wire.
Yeah, there's wires everywhere. Is that the display thing?
No.
No.
Nope.
Still in the
It's a
box.
serial adapter.
What sort of wires do you need, guys?
A USB-C to USB-C, pretty much.
C to C.
Yeah. Use a one of the DJI ones.
I'm onto it now.
Yeah.
USB-C to USB-C.
This is going to draw quite a bit of
Loads
current.
of current. Yeah.
Do you want to melt this cable?
No, I like my cables.
How about this one? Is that USB-C to USB-C?
Oh yeah, this is one
Yep.
of the DJI ones.
But that won't work because this is a.
Don't worry.
Okay, it will work. So,
I'm on it.
so we'll set the load somewhere near the middle.
Yep. So it's drawing 5 watts.
Can we see this?
I'm going to push the button if I can find it. No, not there. Over there.
Okay.
So
Okay, 1 amp.
1 amp. So shall we increase this now?
Go.
Other way.
You're decreasing.
Yeah,
1
up to
amp.
3 amps. It's
Should say 3 amps. So 1.5.
I'll
Good.
change up 1.6.
2 amps.
The
Oh,
voltage.
voltage is whoa.
It is going down way too
Yeah.
much.
3 amps. Okay,
Yeah,
it's
4
not lying there.
4
It
volts.
won't be any more than that.
But you're already out of space.
I've hit like a current limit here now, so
Yeah.
the voltage is dropping. It won't.
Yeah.
What's happening is now it's gone into like constant current mode.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
So if I turn the
You're down
load
to
up,
you're down to 4.2 volts already. So this is way out of specification.
yeah, so I'm just turning the load down a little bit. Yeah, so at this point here,
Use the black lead as a connector. I think this
Instead, yeah.
Yeah, this is way shorter.
yeah. Hey, yeah, so our multi-load does work.
Yeah, it does work.
And I've somehow just lost the little...
So,
it
connect that to
should
this,
have a
right?
voltage and current on there.
I'll be careful. Don't worry.
Because this should load up to about...
Oh my god.
Oh, I told you it was the...
Oh, of course. Oh,
I told you it was the death trap.
We have the. This is always in serial. Okay, didn't thought of that.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's so dangerous. As long as we don't touch the prime.
Yeah, it's totally living on the edge here. I tell you guys. Yeah.
Yeah, you're still having fun, right?
Well, well, we're on.
Okay. So
Uh,
it's better with the cables that way, right?
well,
Okay, so let me see if we get any more
Yeah.
than that. Oh, no, I
So-
still... Oh, you've got so much glare you can't see it now. Watch the screen.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, it's gone down to 2.6.
So
yeah, it doesn't like the load.
they're not independent.
Yeah.
They're not independent.
Yeah, it doesn't like
So
the
the
load.
bullshit on the specs, okay.
That is bullshit.
Yeah, it is.
Crap or not crap, guys.
Why is it blue now, the LED?
Something to do with the...
It was red before.
something to do with the decoy.
So the light made it blue.
No, it was blue for some reason when you pulled it on this lead.
Okay. Maybe the lead has something.
Yeah, I'm with the people. They're all saying it's
Crap, crap,
Yeah,
crap,
it's
crap.
super crap, not
Yeah.
just crap. Okay, death trap disconnected.
I'm feeling so much safer.
God damn it. Buy a better one.
Yeah, I'd probably run for half an hour, then die, says Paul. Yeah,
Yeah.
with you.
Agreed.
And you guys know this one was on PCB. Where this is one of death of my own. What happened there?
The desk connector just.
The death trap fell off.
This death trap is on the floor now. Okay.
We have one more thing we can look at.
Okay.
We have 15 minutes. If you want to get in there, or did you want to bring it home? This one.
No, thank you.
Well, you can either
I need a real PD one.
you can either go into what you want to, or we can talk about these things.
What's that?
They've asked me to repair.
Repair headphone. Oh, they are jabbers. Okay. Yeah, Jabra.
Shall I open that?
Yeah.
I need this.
They, oh yeah, sorry.
These
I was cleaning up.
I know. I see that. Yeah.
these things are expensive. These are
Yeah, they're
valuable.
super expensive.
So this is this marketing company. So what goes wrong with them is that the wire that comes from the microphone, which moves,
Yeah.
breaks off where it goes into there. Now I tried to repair one, so somebody.
I already fixed mine at home from my work.
Oh, good. So
we have
right.
some of these as well.
Right. So,
So,
do you know how to fix these? Problems?
yeah, depends on the model, but yeah, they look very similar. So yeah,
Would you like to open one up? One of them I've tried to repair before. No, I'll tell you how you open them. You have to. So you've not repaired these before, these things?
this model, mine has smaller cups.
Okay.
You just pull it apart.
So
Is it a C cup?
yeah, I was wondering that. Yeah.
Just asking.
So there's a tiny little screw in here.
Okay, so these are better built than the
That
one I got.
you have to take the tiny little screw out first.
Yep, sure. Do you? Yeah, I really need better screwdrivers than that, though.
Yeah, you probably.
It's a very small. It's a very small hex screw.
Yeah.
So you need.
Why isn't the pocket charging?
It's actually a Torx.
So it's a Torx thing. So somebody put a video on YouTube out of this, and I followed the video, which was basically the wire from the microphone goes through a hole in the PCB, was to cut the thing shorter and solder a little PC, and glue a little PCB.
One of these.
Yeah, I find you one that fits it.
I'll show you what you guys are looking at.
Yeah, sorry, it's so small.
It's so small.
You won't see it on the camera even.
That's what she said.
That doesn't fit it.
Sorry, couldn't resist.
I was going to. You beat me to it.
Right, that one fits.
Yeah, yeah,
So let's see if we can. They're a bitch to get in these things.
yeah.
So let's see if you do it. I actually broke the one I took apart. I mean, you can still put it together. There's the screw. It's tiny, yeah.
Yeah. So let's see if you can see that on the tip. Yeah, just about.
So what we
Don't lose that.
Don't
That
lose
goes there,
that.
yeah. Right. That's it. So this pulls forward.
Yeah, careful.
Yeah.
Yes, got the ball. Yes.
Now you
The
have
king
to.
of screwing around. Yeah.
The other end is a real bit. So basically, there's like a little slot. So on the end of this is like a little T-shaped thing, plastic,
Okay.
and the end of the T goes through a slot
Okay. So
into the hinge,
just,
and you have to get in the right position. Then it'll pop out. It really is fiddly. You can see it's down there.
Yeah, I see it.
So you have to get it in the right position, horizontal,
Yeah.
and then push it out. And the one I did actually broke it, but when I got to get it, I couldn't even do it.
Okay, they're hooked up a bit.
I think you have to push inwards slightly. See if you can do it better than I did. So
So I see the hook. It's there.
yeah, so the hook is coming through the hole, and it has to, on this piece there's a slot,
Yeah,
and
I
the
see it.
peg is going through the slot,
Here.
and you have to get it back out through the slot.
Chinese kids assemble it, old farts disassemble it.
Yeah.
Paul, you're right.
They're a bitch.
Ask the kids in Bangladesh.
Yeah,
How
they,
to do
they
this.
know how to do this with their eyes closed. They do 500 a day or so.
Yeah.
Oh
But-
my god.
If you break it, I mean, I broke it.
Yeah, yeah. No, don't worry. Okay. So I can see where it's caught up.
Yeah, so it has to go back through the slot.
Yeah. So there, it has a catch on one of the sides.
It's not a catch. It's like
Okay, let me push this back.
yeah.
Because look at this design. This moves. Why? The screw hole moves.
It does it so that the thing rocks. It does.
So
But if you look at that thing with the screw hole,
yeah,
it's like a little plastic
yeah. It has some little.
that comes right, and that comes through something here,
Okay.
which is what you have to push it back through. It's
Okay. So. Huh. I'm trying to find it. I can feel it moving.
yeah.
Come on. It went out a bit. Oh, wait.
Have you got it?
I
And
think
you've
so.
got 9 minutes left to open this up.
Yeah.
Sorry. I tried. It went out so far. Screw you. It's a millimeter left or something. Look at it. It's almost off. God have it. Okay, so that way? No. This way? No. Down? No. Up? Over? Under? No, I will break this.
That would be my biggest concern, yeah.
That's what happened when I took one apart.
It's almost out. God damn it.
Yeah. So there's like a peg like that,
Yeah.
and this flat piece of it. So this part of it is attached to the top bit, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And the peg is this shape, and it comes through a slot which is just the right size for it to
So
come
to
out through.
assemble this again would be a pain.
No, I think they're going to be easier to get together than they are to take apart.
Okay. You sure about that?
So the one I took apart is actually broke.
I go for the overhead and drink some beer.
Yeah. Good idea.
But
Is that a pin?
you have 7 minutes to get us apart.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if it has a push pin to move the little peg.
Carsten suggests you need to tilt it somewhere.
Yes, you do. I agree. You have to tilt it some way, Carthy.
Yeah. So
Yes, you're correct.
you would guess it's this way.
Okay, so this foam piece, this is the piece that has the peg on.
Yeah.
And the peg is going through a slot
Yeah, I can
in
see
that
the peg.
side of it.
I can see the peg inside.
And you have to get have to line it up so you can pull it out this way,
Yeah.
upwards.
Yeah, so I have some movement.
Paul, we actually have an endoscope somewhere around here.
We do have an endoscope. I know exactly where it is.
I think I saw that. See
I know it. I can see it.
I don't know. This is going to break.
No, I have the endoscope.
Yeah, the endoscope is right here, Rich.
endoscope is
Okay.
here.
Ah, oh, professional endoscope with his own screen.
Oh yeah.
I forgot about this one.
We went crab hunting with this.
Yeah, we went crab hunting in the rocks, rock pools down the Amador's Beach with this. It does go. That's
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, it's just tight. Again, what you said. Yeah, I beat you to it this time.
Then we have to press something to turn it on.
Oh,
Oh, the big orange one.
Yeah, we would guess.
It's on.
Okay, let's see.
it's Derp Tech or something.
Depth tech.
Oh, that,
Low power. Okay. Get a bit closer with the screen, please.
okay. So let's see if I can see.
Right. Get me the screen. Oh crap.
Okay, right, I'm behind where we are on the screen. If you know what I mean.
Okay, so there are two wires there you can break off easily, and there is the latch. Okay, give me a sec, and we're just going to reorient this. Okay, so now you can't get in there.
Can you say anything? Yeah, go on, data. That's it.
There it is.
Oh, just stay there a moment.
Will it autofocus?
No, depth's focusing.
I'm in focus. Look at Depth Tech.
Oh, the depth tech's out of focus. Oh yeah, you're too close.
Yeah. So there is the latch. I can see it there. It moves. No, not there. Down there? Yeah, okay, there we go. See, it rotates.
Yeah,
around
yeah, it's
that-
rotating. In this piece here,
Yeah,
there's a slot like an oval slot,
yeah.
which the peg goes through.
Okay, so you see where it's rotating around.
Yeah, you can see that. You can see exactly where it's rotating
Yeah.
around. So, but you have to get into the right position and then pull it outward, upwards.
Yeah, out to the side and upwards.
Okay.
Let's see if I can. Out to the side, here, and upwards. Nope. Other side, upwards. Nope. This will break.
That's what happened to the one I took apart. And then when I broke those, oh, that's how it works.
Yeah, usually.
Oh, my head has gone now.
Oh,
this is probably.
oh, it clicked.
Slide the wire out of the catch.
Oh, okay. Give me a sec.
I tried to make an endoscope out of my old CRT scope. I threw a brick at it, and that was the endoscope.
Good one. Yeah, I like that.
The embedded obvious, that was the endoscope.
Yeah. Okay, I pulled the wires out of the way.
There's no wires going down there.
In my head, I hear Louis Rossman screaming, "Right to repair!"
Yeah, no, agreed.
Yeah.
I agree with him a lot of points.
Yeah.
Not his
absolutely.
political views.
No.
I don't even listen to those, but because America is so different from every other country, you
Yeah.
can't really compare.
No.
America is, yeah. I won't go into it.
Actually, it could be that a prostitute
Check again
saves
with the
America.
scope.
Yeah.
4 minutes, no rush. I know, it's 3 minutes.
Ah, God damn it! It clicks and then goes back. Go, come on, down there, up, over, up, out, down there, that way.
More beer.
Yeah, no, I can't. I would break it. Just of frustration. Out of frustration.
Can you have an open one?
Yes, we have one that's already been opened.
Yeah, give that to me,
I
please.
don't know which one. I don't know which one it is.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, you closed it up again.
Okay, let me have a quick look.
So it wasn't this one.
Obviously, but I have 4 to go at it. Could be any of them. So this one. Is it this one?
I can feel it clicking into somewhere and then jumping back in.
Robin, no, sorry. No hammer time today. These are from customers. Sorry.
Yeah, these belong to a customer. They do.
Yeah, and now there's this tiny little screw somewhere on the table, so
No, I have 2 of them. Don't worry
this is
about
going
them.
to be fun.
Don't worry about the little
Yeah.
screws.
And I don't want to force them too much. Oh, what was
Here we
that?
go.
Yeah, it didn't break. It cracked. It made a noise.
As I say, when I opened one, would you believe? Okay, it's the fourth one. Give me that last one over there. This is the one that I opened before.
You opened all 4.
Did you get? Yeah, this is the one that's been opened before.
Of course. Murphy's Law.
Got there. No. Well, one of them's been opened before.
Okay, you put it on right, I guess, and you didn't break it.
Put the 4 screws there.
Okay.
So one of these will come apart because it's been opened previously.
Not this one. This
Not
one.
this one.
Exactly the same.
This one. Not this one. Where's the other one?
That's all of them.
There's one here.
Yeah, but that's the one I've been working.
Amazing.
He put it back together after he broke it.
One of these I've been inside. I've been inside one of these before.
I hate these things. Just put 2 screws, one from each side. That's it.
Yeah. Put 2 exactly. Put 2 screws, one from each side.
No fucking legends.
And there wouldn't be a problem.
Oh, we're not monetized yet. No worries.
Yeah, you can swear.
Oh, this one's still got a screw in it. Give me that.
How?
Uh,
Rich, you have 4 screws here. How?
Won't even go into it. Try this one. Right, that's one that's been opened before.
Yeah, okay.
We're up on time.
I'm not counting today, Dutch. I'm simply here to drink beer.
Let me have a look.
Okay, so you.
No.
Okay.
So yeah. So that's what you were trying to actually. That's
Okay,
the,
they got something.
that's the one that's on. That's the one that has the screw in,
Yeah, and then.
and the other one actually goes through this slot here.
Yeah. Okay.
And on this one, if you look, it's actually broken.
Okay, I see.
You can see the peg there.
Yeah. Okay.
So the peg has lost the T-piece.
So you.
So the T-piece goes through the hole.
Okay, so let me try to show the people. Okay, so that's. Oh crap! Yeah, that's going to be hard. Okay, so you see the housing down there, that one, there. Yeah. Okay, so there's a round place and a flat place on the sides. You have to get the peg into exactly the middle.
Correct.
And
Before
pull.
and pull.
And pull out. Okay.
And that's what you were trying to do.
Yeah. So either the peg is thick and will make it really uncomfortable to pull that hard. That's what my guess is.
Yeah. Yeah, the reason I took the screw out the wrong one, that's why there's an extra screw.
Us professionals.
Yeah, so
I love you guys.
yeah,
It wasn't me this time.
it didn't end well.
Oh well.
Well, we're out of time, unfortunately, guys.
We'll have to give up for
We're in
now.
luck, we're out of time.
Yeah.
Beer's
A
empty.
Belgian screwing in a light bulb in the dark. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this anyway. We did some fun. Yeah. Up the endoscope.
Very nice being here with you guys.
Yeah,
Enjoy it.
a
as
lot of fun
always.
again, as always.
See you in a fortnight, guys.
Yeah. Have a nice one.
Cheers. Ciao for
Cheers.
now.
Bye.